अगर हैज़ एज वेल को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात हैज़ एज वेल को तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है. Hello and welcome to Has It Aged Well. That quote was from the 2007 blockbuster, the most Bollywoodest of all Bollywood films, Om Shanti Om.
सुनने वालों ऐसा पॉडकास्ट भी होता है. Anyway, continue.
With me in the studio to talk about Om Shanti Om is my co-host Urjita Wani.
Hello.
And it's always wonderful to have a guest who's also a fan of the show. At least that's what I have been told. But before I introduce her, it's a very long and elaborate introduction that has been given to me. So first of all, I have to say she is pretty. She is an actress. She's a writer. She was in ACD.
See, if you say it like that, it feels like I've fed this to you.
ACD क्या है?
It's an associate
creative director on...
I'm not... That's Abbas to all introductions on his own. I feel like we can't trust him.
Associate creative director on probably the biggest talk show in Indian soil called Coffee with Karan. You might have heard of it. And she also has something called Goddess R, where she gives an hour to all the goddesses, including herself. And she's an overall very fun person. I follow her on social media, and she has lots of great things coming up, and we'll talk about that. But above all, you're a huge fan of Om Shanti Om. So let me formally introduce, on Has It Aged Well, Priyam Saha!
Bubbly bouncer, step copy wali film.
Two different films.
Dr. G. Yes, Dr.
Okay,
G.
Before I get into my fandom about the show, I must say that the audience should Google me, because this introduction I'm not approving.
We'll
Both
take
of
it
them-
again at the
both
end
of
if
them-
you
both
want.
of you have done a good job in collaborating, but I think it has scope for improvement. But it is true that Kainat line, it is for me, because I
Really?
am a huge fan of the show. I feel like people manifest their way into being on things. I have begged my way into being on this. I have been asking Urjita to get me on the show for 10 years, I think.
It took 82 episodes, but you're here finally.
And yeah, 83. I mean, it didn't work for Ranveer, but maybe for me, I don't know. Here I am. I'm so happy to be here, guys.
Priyam, welcome to the show. We are equally honored and happy to have you. We're talking about Om Shanti Om.
Yes.
Which, like I said, is probably the Bollywoodest of all Bollywood films.
Best.
Came out in 2007. Stars Shah Rukh Khan, Deepika Padukone's debut film, Shreyas
Kiran Kher,
Talpade,
Shreyas
Kiran
Talpade,
Kher, Arjun
yeah.
Rampal. So
Arjun
much to talk
Rampal.
about. Before we begin, I just like to say, like, this film is like a treasure trove of trivia.
Yes.
So we could just sit and talk 1 hour about just the small references and trivia. So we'll try not to do that. We'll try and talk about our feelings.
Do you want to start with a small quiz?
Oh, nice. Yes.
Sure.
So
Derek O'Brien.
the quiz will be divided into 2 parts, but before that, I was thinking we'd start with a small warm-up.
Oh.
One by one, you two will name the actors that starred in the
In the special
Diwangi
thanks.
Diwangi. Yes.
Which all get a... Yeah, I
Okay.
can.
Yeah, one by
Sure.
one. And like the last person to like say the name and the other person who is not able to come up with it wins.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
since you're the
Rani
guest.
Mukherjee.
Urmila Matondkar,
Tabu.
Sanjay Dutt,
Karishma Kapoor.
Salman Khan,
Kajol.
Kareena Kapoor.
No!
Oh, this was not even hard. Oh my
Priyam
God.
wins.
Kareena was not in the song?
Kareena was not in the song, and I actually googled because after looking at the lineup, my first thought was Kareena kyun nahi, and I googled. So Farah Khan ne ek interview mein she had indirectly mentioned that she doesn't like her.
Oh.
So indirectly, and many sources have confirmed that they both don't really get along with each other. That's why she wasn't
What?
there.
Starting with quiz or starting with goss, Urjita? Okay, cool.
ये गाने skip कर देता है अब्बास, मैं देखा है.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं यार, इस फिल्म के गाने नहीं स्किप करे
इसने हम आपके कौन 15 मिनट में खत्म कर दी थी.
Nice.
Which reminds me, there's a very cool Suraj Barjatia Easter egg in
Yes.
this
Yes.
film, which is
Good,
very
too
funny.
good, too
But 2007, Om Shanti Om, we've discussed Savaria on this show before, and of course you can't divorce the release of Om Shanti Om with Savaria.
For sure.
One of them clearly came out as a winner. So
Boom, quiz question. There is a Savaria reference in the
Om
film.
Shanti Om?
Yes,
A
yes.
Savaria
The
reference?
Savaria
Yes.
reference?
Yes.
Or like a Bhansali reference? No.
There is a Bhansali reference and a Savaria reference. in
okay,
the
can I take the Bhansali reference?
Okay,
That
tell
one,
me.
the one scene, when the OG Shanti Priya is like ek chutki sindoor ki कीमत तुम क्या जानो, she's somehow dressed like
Paro.
Devdas, like Paro from Devdas.
Nice.
No, that's
No?
not the
Okay.
reference.
Stretch.
Okay,
No.
what's the Savaria
The
reference?
direct Savaria references. जब ये ओके ओम कपूर का जो फिल्म का वो नरेशन सुन रहा होता है वो गुज्जू पापा बेटे से,
Critical
तो वो
acclaim.
कहते हैं कि सर आपका नाम इस फिल्म में है राज और वो जो जिसके साथ शादी करी उसका नाम है रणबीर. Guess whose name was Ranbir Raj in Sawarya?
I'm assuming Ranbir.
Yes, that's one. And then literally in that same
So
narration,
it's not a reference, it's a coincidence.
coincidence.
it's a
Yeah.
but it
But a
could
big
be
one.
yeah.
You know
and-
what a direct reference was? Farah Khan and Shah Rukh going on every reality show and saying, "हमारी picture दूसरी picture को हरा देगी." That
There
was
is
a clear Sawarya
another
reference.
Bhansali dig. I think it was a dig कि वही same narration में वो कहते हैं शाहरुख खान कहता है wait मेरा कैरेक्टर है वो ना देख सकता है ना सुन सकता है ना बोल सकता है ना चल सकता है ना दौड़ सकता है कुछ नहीं कर सकता है यार ऐसी फिल्म को लोग क्रिटिक्स प्यार करेंगे पर बॉक्स ऑफिस पे चलेगी नहीं. सो आई थिंक 2 साल पहले ब्लैक आई थी जिसमें रानी मुखर्जी का कैरेक्टर वाज वेरी सिमिलर टू दिस कैरेक्टर माइनस द
But
फिजिकल.
still, you think it's like a direct dig and
I
all.
think it was. I think.
No, I think, look,
Stretch.
see, Farah Khan is definitely taking a dig at a particular kind of cinema, which she does in her interviews
Yeah,
also.
her whole personality is this. You
Yeah.
have an
But
art.
what I wanted to come at was, so 2007 when Om Shanti Om comes out, you're, I guess, in your
Nine.
teens.
I am
You're
9
9 years
yeah.
old.
You are 9 years old?
In 2007.
2007.
But is this? Yeah. Priyam,
Yeah.
welcome to Hesitation. the show where I'm age shamed every single episode.
Ulta used to age shame me.
You age shame her first
Yeah.
of all. I feel like I've always received this information from an audio, like a viewer point of view. Sitting in this room and finding out all over again just how young Urjita has been exciting.
But this is the first time I think Bollywood is owning up to its meta-ness, right? Like celebrating Shah Rukh Khan's stardom, celebrating Bollywood, making fun of parodying Bollywood at the same time, hitting all the notes that Farah Khan wants to pay homage to, right? What memories do you have? 2007, where were you? Who were you? Were you a Shah Rukh fan already?
Always. I
Okay.
was born a Shah Rukh fan. That's it. I was born, and then the first thought, I was like, I'm going to fall in love with Shah Rukh Khan forever for the
Aw.
rest of my life. But in 2007, I was in Delhi. I was...
Oh, you're a Delhi person.
I grew up in Delhi, yes.
Delhi person.
I'm a
Okay.
Delhi person. And I was in the 10th standard.
Oh, okay.
So not 9 years old. और मैं
Not
जब
that far. 5 साल का फर्क है सिर्फ.
अजीब सा लग रहा है suddenly. You know, थोड़ी ऐसे पानी वानी. Anyway, so 2007 में मैं दिल्ली में जहाँ रहती थी, मेरे घर के पास PVR खुला था उन दिनों नया नया, V1 रहना.
okay.
और उनके दिन के शोज 11 बजे के पहले के 50 रुपए के होते थे और 75 के.
Right.
So उस दौरान मैंने हर पिक्चर देखी है. हर स्कूल बंक करके छुट्टी के दिन संडे दिस दैट. सो ओम शांति ओम वाज वन ऑफ दोज व्हेयर आई वाज इन 10th. कब आई है ये? थ्रू द ईयर November. Yeah, of course, this was a big Diwali release,
Yeah.
right? So I've gone with friends. I've watched more than once, and it was just a festival. I'm sure at some point we'll talk about Diwangi that I'll talk about this a little more. But my memory of that time is this. It was a great PVR day of watching this kick-ass movie, and this meta reference that you're talking about, Farah Khan, also Sajid, who spent all our growing up years,
Yeah.
watching him host stuff.
Correct.
So this kind of parody humor and Bollywood humor is very, very trademark
Right.
Farah and Sajid.
Sajid,
Did I
yeah.
say Shahid earlier?
No. You said
Sajid.
Farah and
Yeah.
Sajid. So even in Main Hoon Na, there are so many
Shahid was
like...
still a backup dancer with Shamak Dabbar at this point.
Hey, not then.
No? Okay.
No,
Ishq Ishq
No.
Ishq-
इश्क आ चुकी थी
Ishq
भाई.
had already come
आ
out.
चुकी
Yes.
थी. Yeah.
हाँ, वो उर्जिता जितना छोटा नहीं था. ठीक है. So I feel like even in Main Hoon Na, Farah had already made a
Sort of,
smashing
yeah,
debut
yeah.
and done a lot of these, especially at that time to Sholay. But the fact that this filmy personality has always been part of who she
Correct.
is.
Yeah.
And Om Shanti, ma'am has gone for it. We love.
Urjita, when did you see
Yeah.
the film first?
So, because मेरे पापा को शाहरुख खान इतना पसंद नहीं था, even though he is a big
Oh.
Bollywood fan,
Wrong
मेरे
opinion.
पापा को पता नहीं शाहरुख खान मवाली लगता है. I don't know why. So, but
Want to know
which
his
is why
thoughts about Salman actually.
Yeah.
he doesn't like Salman either, so don't worry about
And
that. I have
Amir, who
checked,
actually
yeah.
made a name
He
playing
likes Amir.
Mawalis.
He likes Amir much
Yeah,
more.
because
He's-
Rangila he.
So yeah.
Rangila,
not Mawali.
Surf,
Yeah.
no, Gulam.
Yeah.
Yeah, Amitabh Bachchan he's a fan of. But anyway,
Ah,
coming
okay.
back, he which is why we didn't go to watch Om Shanti in the theaters. But हमने pirated CD पे देखा था उसको. And which is why I still like, even though I have watched Om Shanti multiple times after that, but मेरे दिमाग में कोई भी scene आया ना, वो ऐसे वो blur footage में ही आता है क्योंकि मैंने वो pirated CD पे देखा था. But I loved the film even then. I loved the film
So
even
you were still
now.
9-10 years old
I was
when you
9.
watched
I
it.
was
Okay.
9 years old. So, but no, I really loved the film.
Okay.
Fully enjoyed.
And
Loved
And
it.
And that opinion holds even today?
Yeah. This is one of those films that I have progressively loved over the years.
Okay.
Like back then, I loved it for different reasons. Like, Deepika Padukone looks beautiful. That was my reason. But over the years, I have loved it more for the meta references, for the
Absolutely.
jokes, for the story, for the emotion, for the climax, for Deepika Padukone's brilliant debut, for her acting in the end, in the climax, which makes me tear up even now. So, yeah, the reasons have only increased. And I'm
And
sure
I would
they will.
agree with that because I feel like over the years, the many times I have watched it, I have only loved it more and
Yeah.
more because each time it feels more and more complete as a movie, and there's never a bad time to rewatch it.
Yes.
Anytime you watch it, you're like, "हाँ ठीक है अगर मतलब."
Yeah.
It's always a good time. It will always take you on a fun journey. It always ends with a bang.
Yeah.
Abbas, what about you?
Can I give my opinion?
Yes.
Okay.
That you hated it. No, big shock.
मुझे इतना डर लग रहा है ना बस
But
क्यों
yeah,
I was 19 in 2007. Okay. And as a 19-year-old developing cinephile, I was like, guys, commercialism and entertainment is crap, okay?
Wow.
Artistic
I'm dying already.
artistic excellence is where it's at. So when
So then Om Shanti was
so
your
when-
obvious choice.
yeah, of course, yes. So when Savaria and OSO were pitted against each other, I always sided with Savaria because I'm like, that's the underdog. Also, the promos for those two films, Om Shanti Om, of course, they didn't tell you what the plot was, but you knew it's a celebration of cinema. Savaria was this very dark, brooding, sort of, poetic thing. So I was like, this is where I'm going towards more. So I saw Om Shanti Om in the theaters back then, and I remember liking it, but I always had this grouse that it's Shah Rukh Khan, Farah Khan at the height of their powers, and they're saying we're going to dominate the box office, and then you did. So where is the underdog nature of the film? Okay, now that was what
has told me a lot about Abbas as a teenager overall. But yeah, continue.
That's what I thought back then. I liked the film even then, but I agree with both of you. Over the years, I admire Farah Khan's brilliance at, like we said, hitting each note and knowing how to play the audience as a fiddle. And there is this tendency, right? When you want to pay homage, you sometimes overdo it. Om Shanti Om does it exactly as she wants to. Like, for example, I'll give you an example. Like the song Dhoom Tana, that song, they have this thing where they used high-tech CGI of that time to use Purana footage and insert, Jitendra and Sunil Dutt and all that.
Red Chili's VFX.
Red
So-
Chili's VFX, tab se ab tak.
So
Oh my
they
God.
had that technology, okay?
Yeah.
They used it. But in the scene where Shanti Priya ka premiere ho raha hai and Shreyas Talpal and Shah Rukh Khan go to see them at the red carpet, on the red carpet she's used duplicates of the actors.
That's the brilliance of it. Wahi
So
to
she knows
fun hai.
where to play it for a laugh,
Absolutely.
where to play it for the brilliance.
Yeah.
So I still think the first half of this film, the part in the 70s, is way stronger than the second half where the threads are being tied together and the Punarjanam thing is happening. I think the 70s era is my favorite part. Like towards the end of the film, I kind of started losing interest a little bit when it comes to the whole, we're going to play a prank on Arjun Rampal and make him pay for his sins.
I feel like that may also be because like you have already shared the kind of person that you were.
Yeah.
But एक तो कि जैसे कर्ज का भी first half ज़्यादा strong है second half से.
Correct, yes.
और 70s वाले part में there was that much more scope for that jokes and the bits and the parody and all of that. By the second half you are there into the action of it. So
To
maybe
the
that's
actual-
the,
And
Yeah.
also,
the
don't
lols
you,
are maybe slightly less.
But don't you like a good revenge story? I love a revenge story,
Yeah.
especially when it is like picturized like this. Ki,
Especially when Shah Rukh is winning. Yes.
yeah, Shah Rukh is winning, and then man, I too loved it. I think I would not have, so I actually checked online. There are the people who don't like Om Shanti Om. 80% of them, the reason for them not liking Om Shanti Om is it's not an out and out comedy. So I think like people also, people who are, I have noticed this one thing. Okay, people who have grown up on a diet of non-Indian films, especially मतलब Hollywood films, उनको ऐसा लगता है कि comedy मतलब start to end तक comedy
हाँ,
होनी
हाँ,
चाहिए.
हाँ.
There should not be any growth in the character if it is an out and out comedy. Like they don't understand the concept of कि अरे नहीं ऐसा नहीं, story को story की तरह देखो ना. It just happens to have comedy in it. Why can't you look at a story that way? क्योंकि हमारे Indian movies में ऐसा इतना हुआ नहीं है. I think Jaane Bhi Devaru also ends on a slightly serious note, but it is
And
still
it's
an out and
overall
out.
But it's overall
Yeah.
It's a
political,
satirical
like,
It's a
Yeah,
satire. Yeah. So हमारे इंडिया में भी कॉमेडीज अगर रोम कॉम हो कुछ भी हो तो फिर इट एंड्स ऑन सम नोट लाइक या तो रोमांटिक नोट में अगर नहीं दोनों लवर्स मिल रहे तो सीरियस नोट पे एंड हो रही है समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो आई थिंक दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम विद मोस्ट पीपल आई नो हु डोंट लाइक ओम शांति ओम कि ये सीरियस क्यों कर देती है बार बार एंड में. बट आई तो लव दैट पार्ट.
So I actually, do you have a response to that?
No, that I'm so confused by this. How people think, I mean, yeah, sure, in the end it's serious in a way, but after any climax,
Yeah.
wait, it's called a story, babe. Look it up.
Yeah, that's what.
Like, I can't defend this.
No, so I once got into a argument with a colleague who used to work here, Joshua. Some people might know him through comedy. The argument we got into was that Joshua's thing was, if you want to introduce a white person to Bollywood, you show them Om Shanti Om because it has everything.
It has everything.
My argument was, then why show them a film that's paying homage to the 70s when you can actually show them a film from the 70s? Show them a
Because
show
a film for the 70s will not hold your attention span,
Yeah.
first of all. For a person who is not into the circus that is our Hindi film industry,
Right.
For them to suddenly be like, ye dekh original Kar. Actually, Cars is quite cool. I personally love it a lot. But yeah, to show them an original 70s might be a lot. I feel like also, you know, Farah has spoken about it. Farah, my friend.
Your friend,
She has
yeah.
spoken about it in interview
You're on
also, how
first
she
name
got on a first name basis. How she got the idea also was when she was working on Bombay Dreams, which
yeah.
is that Broadway thing. And Farah का वो वाला aesthetic भी है because obviously उसने काम भी करा है
Correct,
वैसा.
yeah.
भाई उसकी झलक दिखला जा रील्स पे भी वो सेम एस्थेटिक यूज कर रही है, इतना अच्छे से कोरियोग्राफ करी वो. Anyway,
Literally,
continue.
even
Yeah.
Sheila Ki Jawani, like it looks like a
Yes.
freaking Broadway number in another Farah film.
Towel cum bed sheet, loved the combination.
Loved it.
Anyway.
तो फिर उसमें भी, so I feel like, because, and she's also such a filmy, like OG, like
Yeah,
that,
yeah,
right?
yeah. Yeah,
So
yeah.
that
Of course.
Om Shanti Om, the fact that even beginning में, right, your आंखों में तेरी तुमने खत्म ही किया है और धूमताना आ गया है.
Correct.
धूमताना हुआ ही है. That भागो आग sequence has happened already.
Yeah.
And it is so organic.
It is so organic.
It
so
doesn't
much
feel
is-
like 5-6 minute के time में
Literally.
तुमने गाने लगाए हैं. It doesn't
after,
feel like
after
it.
that Bhago thing, you are immediately into that Naughty Pussy. After Naughty Pussy, you're immediately into another song.
Yeah.
So that kind of structurally, for this to be like that, for somebody who's watching a Hindi film for the first
Right.
time, I think Om Shanti Om serves that purpose better.
After the Bhago thing, you're immediately into Naughty Pussy. Yeah. Priyam,
Haven't
I
we all
get
been
it.
there?
Yeah.
Stop trying winking so hard at the camera, Urjita. It's okay.
I got it the first time, babe. Abbas is jealous. Go
But
on.
you guys know, you might know that the Naughty Pussy thing was a Shah Rukh edition.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
Yes,
And
yes.
like we have talked about this on the Ravan episode also, where we have this thing where Shah Rukh Khan is a North Indian uncle, because when it comes to South Indians, he has those things he wants to
Which
hit.
I live for, I just want to say for the record.
And from Nari Pussy to Boobles in Pathan, you can see the kind of humor that Shah Rukh likes cracking in parties.
Yeah,
So
you mean the perfect kind? Got it.
I don't understand this. When Shah Rukh does it, it's all nice and charming, and when someone else does it, not me.
Intention, I think. I've come to realize
and
intention.
personality
Yeah.
also,
Yeah.
I think.
Okay, I want
But
to.
on this, sorry, before we move
Yeah,
on,
yeah.
on this trivia thing, that Naughty Pussy bit, the Yanna Raskala, I
Yeah.
used to do this thing called 100 Days of Bollywood for a publication I used to work on, which is 100 trivias. तो उसमें मुझे पता चला that this Yanna Raskala thing that actually everybody associates with Rajnikant, Rajni sir has actually never said it.
Right.
Oh,
That 2+2 pop culture में यहाँ से निकल के उन्होंने वहाँ चिपका दिया है. And now the Rajni parody and the Rajni proof is
So
Yanna
what is the
Raskala.
origin of Yanna Raskala?
This.
Oh,
Shah Rukh says
really?
it for the first time in
okay.
this. Yeah.
I remember channel we used to do this thing called Quick Gun
Yeah,
Murugan.
yeah.
Something,
Yeah,
some of
yeah.
that I think is
Quick
also
gun
from
Murugan
there.
khao, etle me clip khao, mind it. I remember this.
Good one, yes.
But I want to read the IMDb synopsis of Om Shanti Om. Om, a junior film artist, is smitten by Shanti Priya, a renowned actress, but is killed while trying to save her from a fire accident. 30 years later, he is reborn and sets out to avenge her death. So I remember this
बड़ी
Punarjanam.
जल्दी रैप अप कर दिया.
Yeah, that's what they've given the.
Just like,
इन्होंने I remember सावरिया के लिए 10 लाइन यूज किए थे.
Savarya
पास
mein
में
it was
लिखा
like,
होगा वो.
it was like Ranbir Raj who's on vacation in this mysterious
Yeah,
town. I'm
and-
like, he's
and-
not on vacation.
Exactly. I was like, vacation किधर था भाई? ये कैसा vacation है? Lodge book नहीं किया, कुछ नहीं आया बड़ा.
But I remember they kept the Punarjanam aspect secret in the trailers. So for the longest time, I remember, and this is again pre-Reddit, pre-Twitter, all of that. The theory was that it's a generational father-son sort of a story, maybe, that the father didn't get the heroine, so the son will try and get her. But I remember that when the thing happens where he sets the studio and Shanti Priya on fire, it suddenly got a little dark. I was like, I wasn't expecting this to
Violence,
take this
yeah.
violence to take this kind of turn. But do you remember sitting in the theater and like really
You know,
enjoying?
I was actually thinking about it and I remember having the same doubt कि
Right.
यार अगर इसको पैसे चाहिए, because the conflict was कि अर्जुन रामपाल को वो स्टूडियो से पैसे मिलने वाले थे, वो अंकल से उसकी बेटी दहेज में स्टूडियो मिलने वाला था. So I was like, तो ये स्टूडियो क्यों चला रहा है? And then like later on I found out that वो ओम कपूर उससे बात करते करते बोलता है ना कि that studio anyway was a liability to you, you had to, और उससे
Insurance का पैसा मिल गया
इंश्योरेंस का पैसा भी मिलने वाला था. I was like कि ये साला मतलब even that was not even a sacrifice. The studio, he was just like स्टूडियो भी जल जाएगा, ये भी जल जाएगी. तो that also makes you hate him even more. So
was the movie, I mean, yeah, I know what you're saying, that suddenly you don't expect that violence, but what earlier you said that during, I remember maybe that Punarjanam bit they kept secret because at that time promotions of movies were not like that ना, अब तुम्हें जाके ही पता चलता था क्या हो रहा है. But I remember this कर्ज being a theme or homage or an inspiration.
Actually Madhumati also Madhumati's climax they उन्होंने कहा था
interesting.
Yeah, they
but I
have
remember
taken
उस time जब वो लोग
inspiration.
आ रहे थे जगहों पे अपनी promote करने और हर जगह सावरिया को नीचा दिखाने.
Yeah.
I was telling Gurjita that I think this whole trend of film stars coming on reality shows to as judges or whatever, it started with Om Shanti Om and Savarya, I think.
Yeah, you could be right.
Yeah.
That their presence in your living room through all these reality shows, yeah. But I remember that कर्ज thing was already a वो. तो ट्रेलर में तो उस टाइम वैसे भी सारे मतलब now तो ट्रेलर में सभी दिखा देते
Exactly.
थे, पर उस टाइम एक्चुअली खासकर कुछ भी नहीं दिखाते थे कभी भी. So it was just a little highlight reel. I don't think I expected going and thinking it'll be this kind of or that kind of, but it looked like a celebration when I came out thinking exactly that it was a celebration.
Okay. You want to talk about Deepika Padukone?
I do.
So her debut film, I forgot that she doesn't use her own voice. Her voice is dubbed, except for one place where I think they use her voice. Do you guys remember
That
which one?
ek chutki scene,
No,
I think
no.
that one, no? Then?
There's this scene where Om is waiting for her and she comes in a burqa because she
Oh,
can't.
yeah.
And the voice that comes out of the burqa, I
Oh,
think is
yeah,
Deepika
yeah.
Padukone.
That's her voice.
But then when she removes the burqa, it's the dubbed voice again. So I don't know why they did that weird thing.
फराह खान ने इंटरव्यू में बोला भी था कि दीपिका को डिक्शन क्लासेस लगाए थे, डांस क्लासेस लगाए थे, और अनुपम खेर एक्टिंग स्कूल भी भेजा
पर
था.
जवानी कुछ.
So my question, do you think Deepika is good in this film?
She is very good. I think.
Okay, here's my thing. I think this film doesn't ask a lot more of her than to be pretty.
No.
I wouldn't agree with
No?
that.
No.
Should I go? I think,
Own my ass, yes.
no,
please.
not at all. I'm just saying that Deepika Padukone, yeah, maybe her voice diction might be an issue, which
Right.
for also, I mean, they've been
Right.
तब नहीं बताते थे, पर अब बता दिया 8-10 सालों में कि dubbing करा ली उसकी. And Faraz actually also said that parts of it, I mean, most I'm sure is dubbed, but I would imagine more than just that burqa scene, Deepika की voice है उस picture
Okay.
में. Sure, maybe her voice was not in it, but this is can we say it?
Fuck, yeah.
This is a fucking dream.
अरे मैं लौड़ा बोलती हूँ, तू fuck के लिए क्या शर्मा रही है?
This is a fucking dream debut for
Right,
Deepika.
of course, yeah.
And for somebody of, like तुम पहली बार तुम industry में आए हो नया, and for you to be in a film where you have to dance, act in serious shit, also cry, also emote. There are also slightly light-hearted things. There are also places you have to ham. Punarjanam has happened. तुमने हेमा मालिनी भी play कर लिया, तुमने
Yes.
Karan Baby play कर लिया.
Exactly.
So in all of this, who else can pull off that kind of range where every time she comes on screen, whatever she has to do, you're fully believing.
And the very fact that there is a stark difference between the body language of
Yeah,
Sandy
yeah.
and Shanti. There is a huge difference.
Yeah.
Like Shanti, I can assume that she is like maybe in her late 30s or something, and Sandy, if she had to be in her late 30s, and Sandy is like 20 or something. I can see the age difference. I can see like मतलब which is and it had to be there, right? क्योंकि in the climax वो दोनों same कपड़ा पहन रहे.
Right.
So then you
और
had
फिर
to
भी
know.
थोड़ा अलग दिख रहे हैं.
Exactly.
And that's the brilliance of Deepika as an
Exactly.
actor. I'm sure she could work better on it, and she did over the. I mean,
Right.
currently Deepika is of course that much more amazing than she was at Om Shanti. But what that character demanded, Deepika would.
Yeah,
So
and
बहुत
see,
कुछ कर दिया
now
यार
see
उसने.
again, this is the thing about acting. Okay, मैंने देखा हुआ है that if an actor has to act innocent and young, they immediately go all doe-eyed and then like they try to act a little dumb, you know, कि हाँ ऐसे बात करेंगे थोड़ा young दिखने के लिए. But then Sandy is not talking like that. Still you can, I could see कि हाँ teenage में मैंने भी ऐसी लड़कियाँ देखी है, मैं खुद ऐसे बात करती थी यार, मैं उनकी क्या बात कर रही हूँ. But like there is a difference. Like Sandy dumb नहीं लग रही है.
And not,
किसी भी
and not
angle
only
से.
dumb, like the body language thing, I don't know it's so much about that one is looking younger and one is looking older, like in terms of number of age.
Right.
But like how somebody in the 70s would have
Correct.
a little more
Would carry
adai.
themselves,
The
yeah.
lihaz, the ada and all.
Somebody currently will be a little more flaky
Yeah, yeah.
all over the
Yes.
place like that.
No,
Yeah.
That I agree with that. That
Now tell us, Abbas, why you hate the picture.
no, I don't hate the picture. I had a question for you as an actor, Priyam. How much of the Shanti Priya part of it? How much of it is costume and makeup, and how much of it is actually the adaigi, like you said?
I think as an actor,
Yeah.
anytime you're playing anything, of course your costume, hair, makeup does
Right.
add like a huge part to it, mainly because how you start carrying yourself.
Yeah.
So obviously if you're being dressed up where you have to carry one little buffer on your head and you know your fabric is like that over you, then yeah, maybe that'll add to it. But if you are a stiff motherfucker, you're not going to do anything with
And
it.
Right.
we have enough examples of people
I was, yeah, and am I-
dressing up in their best and yet not.
Like?
मैं नहीं बता रही.
और मैं एक second, there is one movie that has just come out, this period piece with our current contemporary ma'am who was dressed the part, playing somebody who has to do a lot of work with her mic at the freedom struggle.
Oh.
And it's
okay.
terrible in every way. So
Oh,
you're-
oh,
how
sorry, I
much can
didn't
your
see.
outfit help
Exactly. Yeah.
Right.
if you
Yeah.
suck?
It took me like मैं 3-4 में परिणीति की तो बात नहीं कर रही
क्योंकि वो
है. Yeah.
इतनी ही immemorable हो गई
Yeah,
है.
that's what I was like, and I'm so glad I did not
Immemorable.
get it immediately
Yeah.
because you know.
Thank you for proving my point.
Yeah.
Because I'll tell you what, so the Shah Rukh part, right? Him playing Om Makhija and then him playing Om Kapoor. I get that in the second half he's supposed to be the spoiled brat
Yeah.
who gets everything on a platter. But I found him so much more endearing as the junior artist. And in the second half, I'm like, at some point, I'm like, now I'm getting irritated by his
पर वो
performance.
intentional भी था पूरा.
Huh, I get it.
है ना, that they were wanting to show that somebody with this kind of privilege who is fully like, yeah, fuck it, the fact that I exist is enough. And it was supposed to be a little bit OTT, little bit hammy. और in fact जब उसको याद आता है कि अब मेरी याददाश्त वापस आ गया, oh shit, right before the Diwangi song,
Yeah. Right
after his
after.
speech,
Ah,
right before
okay.
the dancing starts,
Yeah.
he tells his father that, you know, अब आज से मैं
हाँ,
मेहनत करूंगा, because वो कल तक नहीं कर रहा था मेहनत. And I feel
Yeah.
like he was supposed to come across as this
Bratty.
irritating, bratty,
Yeah.
entitled piece of shit. कभी भी आता है, कभी भी जाता है.
And I'm guessing, you know, while watching the film, I realized that Farah Khan must have looked at all other nepo kids and see how they act, and she was like, "तू ऐसा वाला कर."
I agree.
Like वो थोड़ा तो inspiration
बिल्कुल,
आया रहेगा
बिल्कुल.
कहीं से, especially the way they are throwing tantrums, and especially how Shah Rukh Khan is treating his manager. I don't know why he's treating him like that, but
There
yeah.
was a letterbox review of Om Shanti Om that if you want closure and revenge, you better be a nepo kid. Because otherwise you won't get it.
You know, but on
Ah.
this
Yeah.
Farah had said that when Bombay Dreams जब वो कर रही थी,
Yeah,
her
yeah.
first idea was she just wrote it down on paper. But her idea came from the fact that Bombay Dreams का the story is this slum kid becomes this youth star,
Correct.
and she was just like, sure buddy,
Yeah.
उसको पुनर्जन्म लेके आना पड़ेगा किसी अमीर आदमी के घर पे
Yeah,
for
yeah.
this to happen,
Yeah.
and she made a film.
her idea was that if Bombay Dreams played in India, it would bomb because this is a very outdated
This
version
is,
of the
people
of the
will not
Bollywood
relate to
dream.
this.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we have to go into a quick break. When we come back, we'll talk about some more crowd-pleasing moments from Om Shanti Om. And we'll see what more Urjita and Priyam have to say.
And
about
Abbas.
this.
We can't wait to
I mean,
hear his views.
We'll see you on the other side of the break. Please subscribe to the channel if you're watching this on IVM Pop on YouTube. If you're listening to us on an audio platform, please rate and review us wherever you can. It helps us reach more people. We'll see you right after this. Hey, it's been another great week on the IVM Podcasts Network. On Cyrus Says, Cyrus is joined by content creator, entrepreneur, and best-selling author Ankur Wariku. The conversation dives into personal anecdotes, the importance of having a multifaceted identity beyond work, and tips for financial planning, as well as Ankur's new book, Make Epic Money. On Paisa Vaisa, step into the world of craft brewing with host Anupam Gupta as he sits down with Suketu Talekar, the visionary co-founder of Dullali. Suketu shares insights into the inception, challenges, and triumphs behind building Dullali's unique brand identity. Folks, if you like our shows, spread the word, tell your friends, and don't forget to rate and review them wherever you're listening to them. Follow us on social media. We are IVM Podcasts on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You'll also find all our shows on youtube.com/IVM Podcasts. And finally, we would like to thank our sponsors this week, Omidyar Network India, IDFC First Bank, and ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund. Thank you for making this possible. And we're back on Has It Aged Well. We're talking about Om Shanti Om with Urjita and the amazing Priyam Saha. Urjita, you have a quiz for us. The rest of the quiz questions that you want to throw at us.
So first question.
Yes.
Which other SRK movie's plot has been referenced in this film? Clearly plot बताता है वो ये film का.
Oh shit. I have no idea.
Plot.
Yeah. बड़े मजाक मजाक में वो उड़ता उड़ता ऐसे बता देता है.
मैं हूँ ना.
No,
चक दे,
no.
दिल तो पागल है.
चक दे आई भी नहीं थी यार तभी.
Oh, is it कल हो ना हो?
No.
NRI क्या फिर भी दिल है NRI or something in the
नहीं,
film fair.
नहीं, वो
Okay,
प्लॉट
हाँ.
शाहरुख खान अपने मुंह से बोल रहा है उस फिल्म का.
हाँ, बता दो.
करण अर्जुन वो जब भी अन्ना रास्कला के गेटअप से दीपिका से बात करने आता है ना, तो फिर वो ही
अच्छा,
सेइंग कि
double.
इस मूवी का प्लॉट पता है क्या है. अरे कुछ नहीं यार, दोनों भाई है, दोनों मरते हैं, पुनर्जन्म होता है और फिर मर जाते हैं.
Ooh, I didn't notice
करण
that.
अर्जुन.
Thanks.
Yeah, and I'm so glad ये मैंने कहीं ऑनलाइन नहीं देखा, ये मैंने खुद नोटिस किया. So I
Blessed
was like
with the
yes.
best.
So then second one, which two movies of Salman Khan have been referenced in this film?
I'm feeling very bad.
सावरिया.
That
एक तो
we'll
करण
not-
अर्जुन ही हो गई.
Karan Arjun,
Karan
yes,
Arjun.
that's one.
मैंने प्यार किया.
Yes, correct.
Oh shit! Listen, all my bad student
And,
days are coming back suddenly.
प्यार में thank you.
हाँ.
Sorry और
No,
thank you
sorry,
नहीं
no
होता.
thank
No,
Yes,
no
that
thank
was
you.
the quiz.
Yeah.
It was a very good one. In the edit, can we make it look like I won?
Sure. Just randomly cut to you like yeah.
Yay! Thank you, Ujita, for that quiz.
Priyam Neponi Chepo kid hai.
You guys want to talk about the story of the film,
Yes.
which is okay. Tell me what you think about it.
So I love how Shah Rukh Khan is shown as this simpleton who has a friend, and they both dream. So Shreyas Talpade, even though he's with Shah Rukh Khan and he's also junior artisting with him, but still Shreyas Talpade does not seem to have any dreams of his own.
Yeah.
And when I was a child, that part really bothered me because also तभी थोड़ा मेरे दिल में महाराष्ट्रियन थोड़ा ज्यादा बड़ा था और मुझे ऐसा लगता था यार श्रेयस तलपड़े को मैंने हीरो के रोल करते हुए देखा है, ये यहाँ पे क्या ऐसा सपोर्टिंग एक्टर कर रहा है. तो थोड़ा
और मुझे लगा था what an inspired casting, you know, because
Yeah.
Shreyas Talpade to put him in this kind of a universe
Yeah,
where
yeah,
he's being
yeah.
funny, a little like Hammy and all.
Yeah.
But wow.
Yeah. Oh,
okay.
for you had seen him in Iqbal.
That's
no?
what. That's
Yeah.
So
what.
which is that for you? It was like a leap, but I had seen Shreyas being like the
Understood.
proper
Crazy.
romantic poster boy in Marathi films. और तभी कैसा होता था कि पेरेंट्स जो चीजें बोलते हैं हम वो सुन के थोड़ा इन्फ्लुएंस होते हैं ना कि क्या है मराठी लोग का इते उन फालतू काम करता है ऐसा हमको लगता था. Of course, it was not a फालतू role. It was definitely a good role.
Right. It's
But
pretty
तभी
meaty
मुझे
role, yeah.
yeah, pretty meaty role.
But
And
नहीं,
he did a very good
very
job also.
good.
Yeah,
Shreyas
yeah, yeah.
Talpade, old and young, and in the small moments also, even where जब भी वो switch लग नहीं रहा है, like ये नहीं लगा ना तेरे को ऐसा घुमा के मारेगा, very funny. But yeah, I really never understood that Shreyas Talpade's character उसको भी actor बनना है, but फिर भी why is he playing second fiddle to Shah Rukh and why is he pumping him up? And that is when I realized that he's basically playing the heroine to Shah Rukh. जैसे in every other film where the actresses they don't seem to have a life of their own, they are just simply like supporting the guy. He's playing the guy over.
Maybe little bit. Also, though, I do believe because थोड़ा 70s वाला vibe भी इसका है.
हाँ.
और उस time that hero का दोस्त was a legitimate
Exactly.
character.
Yeah, of
हाँ.
course.
और उस
Yeah.
कैरेक्टर का पूरा वजूद यही ये तो चलो इसको हीरो बनना है इसमें.
हाँ.
इवन इफ इट वाज मेरी माँ को खाना खिलाना है, मुझे घर खरीदना है, मुझे
Yeah.
अपनी जान लेनी है. हीरो के दोस्त का रोल वाज दिस ओनली कि मेरा कोई वजूद नहीं है, मुझे इसी को सपोर्ट करना है इसके एंडेवर में.
Yeah.
सो आई फील लाइक बिकॉज ऑफ दैट he was also cast to that and his whole character I thought was that
Yeah.
हीरो का
Did-
दोस्त.
I got the vibe that Shreyas Talpade is an orphan and Shah Rukh's mother is the one who kind of brought him up and took him
Backstory
in.
king.
Oh.
So then he's just like he feels indebted to support the actual son of that woman. So I don't know. That's how I feel though.
Could be.
Spaces.
Right. So basically,
Touched my
he played Shah Rukh Khan in Koilak in this film.
Sure.
or that guy from Mass Meri Jung. उधर भी same
What are these
dynamic है.
movies that you're name
कोयला तो
dropping?
देखी है तूने?
हाँ, कोयला देखी है. And
You haven't
actually,
seen Mass.
when-
Mass. फिर से देखो. Ting, tick, tick, tick,
if you have seen Mass,
Making the
please
fourth
put
one
it in-
hard right now
You
for
haven't
help.
seen Mass Meri Jung. Guys.
Stop saying
Just
it as
because
if
you
it's the
say it
most.
multiple times, we are not going to suddenly have watched it.
What is Mass Meri Jung?
MAS you're saying?
Yeah,
MASS.
MASS. Mass.
Mass.
नागार्जुना की फिल्म है यार. नागार्जुना ज्योतिका की फिल्म
So
है.
it's a dubbed film.
Yeah, and
अच्छा.
it was one of the first popular dubbed films in India क्योंकि टीवी पे इतनी बार चलाते थे कि लोग फैन हो गए.
Is it
वो
the
film
one
के.
where those Nagarjuna and someone else are talking?
Friends?
and it
No,
has
that's
become-
another film.
Oh, that's
That was another
film.
popular
Okay.
film. But Mass, anyway, coming
Mass
back.
Meri Jung.
Maybe it's a generational thing.
I know,
don't
yeah.
I don't know.
अरे टीवी पे लगती थी यार. तुम लोग ने टीवी नहीं देखा है क्या?
मैं dates पे जाती थी.
Ouch.
फर्क इतना ही है कि प्रियम अब भी डेट्स पे जा रही है और मैं आज भी टीवी देख रही हूँ.
when Om Kapoor goes on set and the guy says na sir is picture mein aap गूंगे हो, I thought of Koila first. I was like, is it a dig at Koila?
Oh,
But
फिर
anyway,
बाद में उसका अंधा बोलते हैं, you were like ये मेरा भी सिलेबस के बाहर है, ये क्या, ये बहुत ऐश्वर्या राय
Then
नाम तुम्हारे
उर्जित
ऐसा नाम
कपूर।
let's talk about the
तुम स्टोरी का कुछ बता रही थी, हम श्रेयस पे रुक गए।
स्टोरीज, हाँ श्रेयस का वो एक
हाँ,
था,
sorry.
बट नो यार स्टोरी बेसिकली मतलब पास
like somebody actually brought the thread back. Very
Yeah,
happens
it
very
doesn't
rarely
go
on
well.
Has It Aged Well.
Yeah.
I know, as a listener, I'm very
Yes.
aware.
In your head, you're listening to
Yeah.
the
So
episode.
first half में जब
Go
शाहरुख,
back to that now. Why did you leave it?
so Shahrukh Khan, talking about the first half about
Yeah.
Shahrukh's whole character,
Yeah.
even though like he says that he wants to be an actor, I feel that he's such a sim that he wants to be an actor only so that he could be opposite
Yeah.
Deepika.
Yeah, of course.
That's his
Fully.
whole
Yeah,
part,
yeah.
which is मैं जब भी ओम शांति ओम देखती हूँ या कोई भी शाहरुख खान की फिल्म देखती हूँ, आई रियलाइज कि fucking हम कितना रिग्रेस हो गए कि ये this was the true simp, right?
Yeah.
And he wasn't like this simp like, you know, Uday Chopra and Uday Chopra films type simp. He's like this simp who has passion, who has full, you know, उसके प्यार
Literally
में इतना
पोस्टर के
ये
सामने
है.
जाके बताता है उसको चीजें.
Exactly.
हाँ.
That whole dialogue, dude, it has so much innocence.
तुम बोर तो नहीं हो रही
तुम
ना?
बोर तो नहीं हो रही हो. Oh
Kill
man.
me, just kill me right
वो
now.
अपना
Chills,
day
literal
उसके साथ
chills.
शेयर करता है and he has
Oh.
no expectations from her.
That's it.
Nothing. बस एक बार उसका expectation था कि वो उससे मिल ले क्योंकि आग से बचाया मतलब come on.
Come on,
And also
yeah.
she had promised that she would come. Not like वो उसके पीछे में hello now तो you love me. ऐसा कुछ नहीं कर
And
रहा
I
है.
think as you're talking, I'm just realizing all over again that the bar is so low कि उसने उसको परेशान नहीं करा. हमें लग रहा है कि
Yeah.
भगवान है, यही
Yeah.
है देवता.
अभी मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है बार लो नहीं, ये बार हाय है. I have accepted it boys. Sorry.
Yes,
ले लो
yes,
तुम.
Yes, sorry for us. Yes.
Yeah. But yes, Abbas.
But I was saying the story again. I'm not trying to be a hater, guys. I'm just pointing
It's
out.
okay,
the-
it's
No,
okay. Yeah.
that's your role
But
on
the-
this, babe.
the-
We
Yeah,
get
कोई
it.
नहीं मैं
And
बुरा
this-
नहीं
like it's not like Farah Khan was trying to write some mind-blowing sci-fi thing, but it's your basic Punarjanam tenet, right? Something
अगर
lovers.
बेसिक पुनर्जन्म टेनेट होता तो फिर हिमेश रेशमिया की कर्ज भी हिट होती, क्यों नहीं गई?
It was a
It was
success.
a
It was
hit.
not a flop.
And I
Himesh
actually
Reshammiya-
watched it recently, and has it aged well? It hasn't aged badly. It has not aged badly.
किसी को याद है क्या? एक डायलॉग बता दो उसका, इतना अगर बेसिक टेम्पलेट है तो हाँ बताओ ना, क्यों नहीं बता रहे? चुप क्यों हो गया? बस नहीं बोलो ना.
मेरी उम्र के नौजवान. Does that have that song also? The remake?
I don't think so,
But it
no.
has a version, a big stage
Ah,
number.
okay.
It
एक
has.
Hansika
हसीना
Motwani
थी,
was the
it has that,
heroine,
yeah.
right?
No, babe, that is Aapka Surur.
Yeah.
This is Inder Kumar ki beti with green eyes.
Urmila
and who does-
Matondkar.
Urmila Matondkar
Yeah.
is
Oh,
Simi
yeah,
G,
yeah, yeah.
iconic.
Yeah.
Takduri Nights. And Inder Kumar की बेटी जिसके लाइट आईज है उसकी और वो ब्लिंक नहीं करती और उसका सिर क्लोज अप है उस
मुझे
पिक्चर
ये
में.
याद क्यों नहीं है दूसरी हीरोइन? आई थिंक उर्मिला मातोंडकर से नजर नहीं हट रही थी, मे बी दैट्स
बिल्कुल.
व्हाई.
Fine, we'll do a
Right.
Karz episode, guys, again.
That's
Happy to
not
come back.
Directed
That's
by
not
the
what I
late great
meant.
Satish Kaushik, because when we were doing the Tere Naam episode, we went through his filmography.
Yeah.
I want to talk about the hundreds and gazillions of cameos that this film does. And like I said, Farah Khan is so good at giving the exact line to the exact person. Like one of my favorite sequences in the entire
Shabana
film,
Azmi.
in the entire film, is the Filmfare Award sequence, right?
वो एक्चुअल में फिल्मफेयर अवार्ड्स
Yeah.
पे शूट हुआ है ना.
Yeah.
फराह खान
Yeah,
अपना
yeah,
कैमरा
yeah.
लेके आई थी कि इधर ही सबका ले लेते हैं शूट, व्हिच इज सच अ बीएमएम स्टूडेंट थिंग टू डू. शी इज लाइक मैं नया सेट नहीं लगाऊंगी, ये एक्टर्स जिधर अवेलेबल उधर अपना कैमरा लेके आ जाएंगे. वो लिटरली फिल्मफेयर के बाहर वो उन सब का फुटेज ले रही है, एंड बिकॉज दे वर ऑल फ्रेंड्स दे अग्रीड टू डू दिस.
And also that's when you also realize, I mean, now that all of us work little in and around the industry,
yeah.
तो वही that you can't even imagine try getting permission on the Filmfare red carpet because you have to shoot something else that has nothing to do with Filmfare.
Yeah.
Just attempt it if you have 6 months of your life to do nothing else, or some
Yeah.
serious like via करके वहाँ पे this kind of inclusiveness of कि हाँ okay why not, no 30 approvals, no you can't
Yeah.
do this, can't do that.
Yeah.
Just the fact that she went to the Filmfare while it was happening and हाँ ये
कर
मेरा
दिया.
सारा
And
काम है ये
such a
जाके
fun,
करो.
and you can clearly tell कि the times was so different that कोई भी PR person involved नहीं था, वरना किसी के ना किसी के PR ने बोला रहता कि no this won't be good for your image.
yeah.
ये
And
बोल ही देते.
the actors taking the jokes on themselves. Abhishek in Dhoom 5.
Yeah.
Return of the Khiladi. Like, that's such a funny sequence. And for some reason, Akshay is in the same costume sitting in the audience as he is on the screen. बड़ी हंसी आ रही है, बड़ी.
That's his
Yeah,
costume.
Akshay playing with hair. His
Which was improvised by the
Yeah.
way. He did it without telling the director. And I'm thinking, imagine
hope
if
the
you're
girl knew.
I don't know. Because I literally heard Farah Khan talking about that Akshay obviously does fab job and comic timing, which I do agree with. And then he started hitting this bitch.
Yeah.
with his whatever.
उसको bitch क्यों बुला रही है यार? वो
प्यार
ही
से
है
यार, मैं
बेचारी.
सबसे बुलाती हूँ प्यार से. और फारा वो देख रही है. Bitch. That's right. No.
बिच्चू बुला दे.
Bichu. But Farah's watching, but imagine if you didn't know this was going to happen and then
Yeah.
it does, but then you don't call cut. I'm like, I hope
Different
the girl,
times, guys, different
I hope
times.
The, I
और
hope the
अभी
girl
मैंने
knew.
आजकल ऐसे इंटरव्यूज देखे हैं जिसमें मतलब कोई इमोशनल स्टोरी सुना रहा है बट द डायरेक्टर कॉल्स कट बिकॉज कैमरा एंगल सही नहीं है. तो वो मूवमेंट चला जा रहा है फिर भी ये कट बुला रहे. एनीवे कमिंग
मैं
बैक.
हुई हूँ इस सेट पे जैसा होता है ऐसा
Yeah.
कि where kind of somebody trying to perform is trying to do something and as soon as
Yeah,
they are
yeah.
cut, my like is flickering. It's
Let's come to the music.
Gee,
Is this Vishal Shekhar's best soundtrack?
that's a very loaded question.
Because I'll tell you what, Vishal also he's the lyricist for
Oof.
Aankhon Mein Teri, right?
Yes.
And these songs have never gone out of fashion. There's so much happening. There's in Dhoom Tana, like you said, the orchestration. I think they got the Lakshmikant Pyarelal to
Yeah.
actually do the
Yeah.
orchestration. So they have to do the 70s thing. They have to do the modern era. And the 70s music is still sounding like a banger. I think this is Vishal Shekhar's most long-lasting work.
Yeah.
लॉन्ग लास्टिंग विशाल शेखर का बहुत सारा काम है एक्चुअली तो
Yeah.
बट
I
दिस
would-
डेफिनेटली
I-
इज
yeah.
अ कंप्लीट एल्बम लाइक यू आर
Right.
सेइंग, यू नो देयर आर दो 70 म्यूजिक्स दैट साउंड्स लाइक दैट 70s फ्लेवर्स देयर बट स्टिल फुल्ली रेलेवेंट.
Correct, yeah.
अजब सी का जब मुझे पता विशाल ददलानी आई ऑल्सो एक्चुअली फाइंड क्वाइट अट्रैक्टिव. इट इज
Okay.
फुल्ली ट्रू. आई लाइक बिग बॉयज हू कैन मूव अ लिटिल बिट एंड ऑन डांस तो ऑन स्टेज तो ही इज किलिंग इट. बट व्हेन यू फाइंड आउट दैट दिस इज व्हाट ही हैज रिटन,
Yeah.
Yeah.
अजब, like it's too good and all the music, all the romantic one. मैं छन से जो टूटा कोई सपना.
Oh.
I don't even remember the boy in question.
The-
But have I spent afternoons just छन से जो टूटा कोई सपना.
Oh, that's the other reason why I was against Om Shanti Om, is because I had my first breakup at 19 and Chan Se Jo Toota would always play in malls all the time. So it was like the song is following me. Even last night when I was watching the film, I was like, let me just skip through this song because all of Rahat Saab's current misdemeanors aside, I think when he kills it, he totally kills it when it comes to a sad song.
आवाज
मैं
में
आपके-
लॉर्ड प्योरिंग ओम शांति ओम.
मैं आपके अप्रिशिएशन की वजह से ये गाना गाया हूँ.
Appreciate.
अप्रिशिएट करो. Me when
I
I'm
appreciate
tanking,
it.
आप अप्रिशिएट नहीं करोगे तो मैं कैसे जोक सुनाऊंगी.
But yeah, what a song, Chan Se Jo Toota.
what
Like
a
so good that I don't want to listen to it because it brings back all those memories.
तो क्या तुम्हें इसलिए ओम
And then-
शांति ओम पसंद नहीं क्योंकि
That's one of
तुम्हें-
the reasons. And I'm like,
And then
why-
there's all this, and then there is Darde Disco.
Yes.
What's up? What hype song
Imagine
number one.
imagine अजब सी विशाल ददलानी ने लिखा है और दर्द डिस्को जावेद
जावेद।
अख्तर ने. ये क्या करा रहे हो तुम? मतलब फराह खान से तुम क्या स्टंट
Amazing.
एक्शन करा दो, श्याम कौशल से कोरियोग्राफी करवा दो, और क्या चाहिए तुम्हें?
in
Amazing.
Javed Saab defense, like every time he says, देखिए मुझे brief दिया गया था कि nonsense गाना लिखना है, इसलिए मैंने nonsense गाना लिखा है.
I've actually also heard, this is obviously none of the people involved in the making have confirmed it on record, but that one of the brief that was given to Javed was little कि नॉर्मल
Yeah.
गाना बना रहा है और कि ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि गुलजार साहब की थोड़ी पैरोडी कर रहे हो.
Oh, really?
Like that. So all this hyper Urdu
Right,
is
right.
coming from there.
Hyper Urdu, but also English.
Oh, yeah.
Because Gulzar has the.
That's
Also, you know which other song this Darde Disco reminded me of? Darde Disco and also Daastan-e Om Shanti Om. जाने मन में हमको मालूम है इश्क मासूम है, because that also is supposed to be the
Good
story,
one,
right?
good one.
It is supposed to be a story, right? But वो इतना गंदा लगता है because उसमें वो वाले गाने में तुमने इंग्लिश मेरा फ्यूचर है तेरी कसम, it sounds so off.
That's also Javed Akhtar?
I don't think
No,
so.
Okay.
I
but
don't
that's
think so.
Shirish Kundar directed
Yeah,
Jaane
who
Man.
edits this film.
Edits this
Yeah.
one and Farah choreographed that one. So there's a whole
Yeah, but like it does
Ajnabi
not
happening here.
again. So I have seen that we as Indians, we have not been a big fan of English seeping into our Hindi songs, and that case in point Kesariya love story and also
But
I'm a
this.
huge fan of Chiggy Wiggy. I don't even know what you're
there are
talking
so
about.
many. There's like
But so many shining in the
नहीं but again see वो अलग अंतर है ना, वो के अपनी आवाज में and I love you ऐसा कुछ नहीं बोल रहा, and I love ऐसे सुर में नहीं कोई बोल रहा है
there's
ना.
it's the time to disco, rock the dance floor. There's so many examples.
I'm a big fan of English seeping into Hindi.
अच्छा अगर कोई रैप अलग से सीक्वेंस हो then it makes sense.
I
Maybe
feel
not
like you are
Even in
trying
the
to share your
songs.
views about Love
Yeah,
Story and
yeah.
Kesaria, and
But-
we can talk about that in the Brahmastra episode.
But my point was that they tried to do the same thing in Janeman, the whole story, narrating the story in a song. It did not work well over there, but it works so well in Dastane Om Shanti Om, and I think that's brilliant.
Dastani Om Shanti is like a direct homage to the Curse
Curse-
song, right?
Curse
Yeah,
Curse
where
song.
Rishi
Yeah,
Kapoor
that's why.
sings
And
at the end.
Curse mate had fully landed also.
Correct, yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry sir, मैंने मारा माइक, मुझे पता है, जो देख लिया आपने मुझे वहाँ से.
The other thing is also, and this of course helped in the promotions of the film, is that Farah Khan, of course, being a choreographer, knows how to direct songs. So the songs by themselves stand as like a piece of art
Absolutely.
unto themselves.
All of them and all of them distinctive.
Even though Dastani Om Shanti was essentially summarizing the entire film, you can just listen to that one song and be like, man, this is a... Let's talk about something that was a rarity then. It's still a rarity. Farah Khan got almost the entire film industry to show up for a song
31
called
people.
Diwangi. And I
41.
remember like in the theater when I was watching it, that song was the one where I was like, Paisa Vasool. Because it was like one of those like live events where the moment anybody showed up on screen, people started applauding and they're like, oh,
Yeah.
he's also here, he's also here. Everyone from Mithun Chakravarti to Bobby Deol to Arbaz Khan, across star hierarchies, they all show
Yeah,
up.
yeah.
And that song is like one of a kind even till today. It's something
And the
that-
very fact that my favorite thing to observe in these songs, in these kind of cameos, is that हेयर स्टाइल से और लुक से तो हम एग्जैक्टली बता कर सकते हैं कि वो टाइम पे कौन सा फिल्म शूट हो रही है. जैसे बॉबी देओल और प्रीति जिंटा को देख के हम लाइक झूम बराबर झूम शूट हो रही थी क्योंकि वो सेम हेयर
That
स्टाइल
era.
था.
I think just the fact that Bobby, Preeti and Lara kind of came together, this is like Jhoom Barabar clan.
Exactly, yeah. And so Abhishek Bachchan and Amitabh Bachchan were also supposed to be there for the song. They wanted to, but then they realized that it would have been a story level pe clash. क्योंकि Abhishek Bachchan तो was supposed to be his rival. No, why would he come?
No, but also like definitely Farah even till the end apparently tried to get Amitabh, but that was the same. The 4-5 days that these guys were shooting was the same time.
Abhishek
wedding
Ash का
was
शादी
getting
हो रहा
Oh,
था.
was
really?
happening.
Yeah.
Ooh.
So everybody didn't get invited to the wedding. They got invited.
I think
to the
Aishwarya should have come. मतलब
Yeah,
I
she would
know
have just
उसकी
shown up
शादी
at the
थी, but
wedding
still.
and be like,
I know उसकी
Amit
शादी
uncle.
थी, वो आ सकती थी 1 घंटे के लिए यार.
अरे बट
अमित
वो
अंकल
अवार्ड
5
शो
मिनट
के
shoot
लिए
कर रहे हैं.
अवार्ड शो के लिए तो दिख सकती थी ना, तभी तो
for
अभिषेक भी
something,
आया था.
for
वो कहाँ
something.
लहंगे में टाइम लगता है फिर. बट नो आई फरदीन खान वाज सपोज्ड टू कम, बट देन वो किसी केस में अरेस्ट हो गया था.
दुबई या कहीं पे ना, like
yes.
he was on his flight or something.
Yeah,
Who, Fardeen Khan?
Yeah.
Yeah.
His father shows up in that award
Film
scene.
fair. he
Yeah.
shows
Like,
up.
what? Okay, it's just FK.
AFK,
So,
yeah.
But on Diwangi, truly iconic, and I remember this like so clearly because like I said, theater viewing और interval के तुरंत बाद आता है ये गाना. तो सच में जब तुम वापस आए हो, the whole audience का जो recharge हुआ है, that's why
Yes.
earlier when you were saying the second half was dipping,
Yeah.
I feel like when I watched it for the first time especially, I think everybody was ready for the second half.
Yeah.
Like if at all there was anything you were kind of अच्छा क्या, that Diwangi I think made up for it. 31 cameos is not a joke. Same way कोई PRs नहीं थे, managers नहीं थे इसीलिए. And again because that time trailers में ये सब reveal नहीं करते थे. Like I have 2 other, I don't know the word for it, analogy, no, 2 other references of this kind where that movie में नहीं पता था और movie पे आके that theater thing. One, बंटी बबली, I don't know when that released, उसमें भी कजरारे तुम्हें पता नहीं था कि ऐश्वर्या
Oh,
होने वाली है.
yeah.
और अंदर आके मर गए थे सब. What has happened? Oh my
Yeah,
god,
yeah,
everybody
yeah,
got really into it. And I think in terms of the Diwangi experience, I know this is a little bit of a stretch, but you know how when Lagan, when you watched at the theater and that match everyone gets involved in,
Yeah.
Diwangi, the theater I watched it was fully like that. Everyone is hooting, screaming, तब तक तुम्हें पता ही नहीं है, and then it becomes such a guessing game also, like
अब कौन
कौन
who's the
आएगा?
next person who will
कौन
come, and
आएगा?
they take their sweet time to stretch
My-
it.
Yeah.
My problem is कि उन्होंने करिश्मा दिखाई, काजल दिखा और उसके बाद मलाइका अरोरा सोहेल. मैंने बोला मजा नहीं आ रहा.
मुझे मजा नहीं आया कि I think in all of this, love him, bless him. Did we need a Tushar Kapoor in this song? That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying.
I mean, 2007 was a
बुलाया तो
different
वो-
time.
He-
So Sridevi,
how can you in this iconic song just because you're related, Jitendra shouldn't have to share his legacy.
so
is what I feel.
somebody had commented कि why, I was wondering why isn't Deepika in the song, and then I was like oh sorry. but yeah, so Sridevi was also called, and she agreed to come, even though that would have been very huge because it would have been almost like a comeback for her. She agreed to come, but she was like, Boni bhi aayega mere sath, and Farah was like, nah. Farah ne muh pe bana kar diya, Boni Kapoor kya karega aake, and that's why she didn't come. And I was like,
के भी acting के सपने तब से चल
and
रहे
I was like, she pulled a Bhagyashree over here. Niche Bollywood reference.
If you know, you know.
Yeah.
Dino Moria is in this song. I'm like, why?
Yeah, because he's edible and he's better than Tushar Kapoor.
The second half is like Diwangi is the orgasm, and the rest of the second half is like post-nut clarity. That was an analogy I just made up.
Wait, let me process it. Give me a second. Diwangi
Like
is
then,
the
boys
orgasm.
being boys,
nothing,
yeah.
nothing in the film, and in the second half then matches up to the high of that of Diwangi.
Hey, the climax matches up.
You want to
Yeah.
talk about the climax?
The
What about the
climax.
climax?
Hit me.
I know, very
अभी भी उर्जिता के मुंह से आ रही है आवाज. Got it.
but the climax, okay, जब ये दीपिका पादुकोण नीचे से आ रही है, पूरा वो ऊपर से नीचे आ रही है, the dialogues are so fucking good because as a writer I can imagine कितना pressure रहेगा on Mayur Puri, the screenwriter of the film, to make this so, like, write this beautifully. पूरा उसने, मतलब you can sense that something is off. एंड लाइक शाहरुख खान की शक्ल से भी कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है. इज लाइक ये सैंडी इतना ओवर एक्टिंग क्यों करे, उसकी शक्ल पे था. एंड देन द डिटेल्स दैट शी स्टार्ट्स गिविंग कि तुम वापस आए थे मेरी लाश गाड़ने. एंड देन यू सी लाइक अ स्विच इन अर्जुन रामपाल's expressions. I think that's the most he has acted because then he immediately says
National Award winner.
yeah, he was like
For rock on.
yeah. अर्जुन रामपाल was like, ये तुम्हें कैसे पता because still now everybody is feeling
It
अच्छा ठीक है
was
पकड़
truly
लिया होगा.
shocking, Urjita. I feel like
Are you
even with your
serious?
enthusiasm, you're fully underplaying how great the climax
you could
was.
see it from a mile away that the real Shanti Priya will show up.
We are not going to be apologetic about not being cynical assholes when we were young.
It's not cynical. It's just
And the very fact
moment
that
still
when
works.
you watch the film again and you see कि शांति प्रिया पहले भी उन्होंने दिखाई थी in that दास्तान Om Shanti Om, that just blew me off.
I
I'm
literally
like
have
fucking
goosebumps right now. I don't even know what you're talking about.
Yeah, and I some part of me, I feel like that little kid lost in the hills कि अभी भी मुझे कोई और सुराग ढूंढने फिल्म में कुछ तो और इसने कुछ foreshadow किया रहेगा फरू ने, पता नहीं, I don't know man. I feel like somewhere I have read so many things about Om Shanti. मैंने इतने interviews देखे just like Rapley कि कुछ तो ऐसा होगा ना फिल्म के बारे में जो मुझे पता नहीं है, just relive that experience again and again. But yeah, that's why
That
I
is
love
so
I'm
wholesome.
happy.
It's so
Yeah.
sweet.
I'm happy for Urjita.
I love
Same.
yeah.
You wanted to bring up some Reddit thread that you came
हाँ
across.
या सो रेडिट थ्रेड पे मैंने देखा कि कुछ चीज़ें हैं उसके बारे में जो आई डिडंट नो. मैंने कल
Okay.
रात को ही डिस्कवर किया
There's
था.
one trivia before you go there. I read somewhere that the disco was initially supposed to be filmed on Shakira.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then she was on tour, so she couldn't. So she was like, Shahrukh, you go dance.
What?
Yeah. फिर शाहरुख खान ने 3 महीने लेके एब्स बनाए एंड देन
Oh yeah,
फराह
that was
खान
also a big thing.
शाहरुख खान को
Eight
सिर्फ
pack
3 महीने
abs.
लगे abs बनाने में.
and
हद हो
Farah
गया.
Khan was pregnant at that time, so whenever he would remove his shirt she would throw up.
What? Okay.
Not as a reaction to him, as a reaction to being a woman.
yeah, of course. I get
Okay.
it.
I get it.
I get it. But so
Also, sorry, Vivek Oberoi was offered Arjun Rampal's role.
Oh really?
And that time Vivek was, और मैं एक मैगजीन में काम करती थी, ठीक है, at some point. और उसमें एनी टाइम ना विवेक ओबरॉय का आर्टिकल लिखता था, कोई भी कि आज बहुत अच्छा हो गया या आज कुछ fuck all हो गया उसके साथ. My first sentence will always, you can Google it, Vivek Oberoi's career can be divided into 2 parts: pre-press conference and post. I loved it.
This was
Vivek Oberoi,
post, right?
Yeah, because now that you have brought it up, I didn't want to bring it up, but then now that you have,
Now it's
so
open,
apparently
safe
Vivek
space.
Oberoi, so there are like 2 narratives, okay? एक narrative बोल रहा है कि विवेक ओबेरॉय को ऑफर किया था और विवेक ने मना किया था, और दूसरा narrative है विवेक को ऑफर किया था, but then because they wanted Salman Khan's cameo, that's why they cancelled his role. Because because literally लिखा हुआ था कि at that point Salman Khan's cameo was way more precious than Vivek
Of
Oberoi's
course.
role.
Not at that time, at any time in history.
So,
No, but this they have discussed, and Sajid used to do a show, Sajid Ke Superstars, back when. So उस time they spoke about it, and Vivek हमारा that time why he has not done this, because he was at that time actually not doing anything else, but most likely was going to do Mission Istanbul,
Oh.
which he then did do, and Yeah, your
A
thread.
film I actually have
तो उधर ही
seen
चला गया
other than Mass.
I think क्यों हो गया ना आई थी तभी आई एम नॉट श्योर अराउंड द
Maybe,
सेम टाइम
maybe.
एंड दैट वाज अ बिग हिट आई रिमेंबर बिकॉज
क्यों हो गया
ना?
क्यों एटलीस्ट लाइक उसको चॉकलेट बॉय का करार मिल
Not
गया
at
था
all. I
यार,
think
हम
साथिया
जिंदा
के
थे
time
उस
there was a
time पे।
whole
क्या बात
हम
कर
लोग
रही है?
जिंदा थे उस time. साथिया के time Vivek had a huge moment.
Yeah,
Then
yeah,
साथिया के
yeah.
time, oh my god,
Dum also.
love Dum also not so much.
No,
It
not
did so
really.
well, but the music started doing well. So yeah, Vivek.
I think
की
I
team में
liked
सब
him
है.
maybe
You
it
liked
could be
him.
that
क्यों
yeah.
हो गया ना कि
And then
गाने famous
गाने
थे
अच्छे
but
and
film
क्यों
flop
हो
हुई
गया ना
थी.
film flopped and the whole thing about their chemistry being or the lack thereof
हाँ.
was the whole.
Chemistry थी that's the reason
Maybe तो
why.
छोटी भी थी ना उस time बहुत. ये
could
भी
be
तो.
could be थोड़ा
No, I
flawed हो
just feel
सकता है
like
मेरा
we're talking about
perception.
Vivek and Aishwarya, right?
Yeah.
But I felt like it was more a media creation than actually. Not that they weren't seeing each
Yeah,
other,
they
but
fully dated.
I know, but there were reports like, oh, they went and some like they went abroad somewhere and they didn't come out of the hotel room for 3 days. I'm like, now you're hyping up for no reason. When
That happened with
when-
Sridevi and Boni.
That Boni just didn't let her leave. It's different.
कंट्रोल हो चुका मेरे से कॉमेडी करियर संभालू की राइटिंग करियर कहाँ पे
Let it go, Anshita.
So I feel like when you have that many news reports about how in love they are, then that means they're not in love. Anyway.
वापस से Amazon, everything he says, I feel like reveals to me something about his personality.
भाई कॉफी विद करण पे विवेक को जितनी भी बार पूछा था कि तू कर रहा है क्या
He's
डेट
come on Coffee with Karan?
या
Oh.
ही वुड
Just
से यस
once.
एवरी टाइम कि
Yeah.
ऐश्वर्या राय अरे करण पूछ रहा है ऐश्वर्या राय इन हॉलीवुड और बॉलीवुड ये कह रहा है इन
In my arms.
एंड ऐश्वर्या राय को जब भी पूछते हैं कि वुड यू आर यू डेटिंग विवेक ओबराय आई डोंट थिंक सो करण जो बोल भी रहा है बट शी कीप्स डिक्लाइनिंग एंड ही इज लाइक शी वांट्स टू कीप अ प्राइवेसी आई डोंट
But I don't give a fuck.
मैं बोला तुम आपस में बात नहीं करते क्या नवरा नवरी ये क्या है
Yeah, I also think that when Arjun Rampal, we actually haven't spoken about Arjun Rampal. I think he's pretty good
We
in
must.
this film. When he's Hollywood return and he's like, call me Mike. Everybody in Hollywood does.
I love that.
And then Shah Rukh says, call me OK. Everyone in Bollywood does. And I remember this time there was this whole thing where people are like, if Shah Rukh Khan is so popular, why hasn't he crossed over to Hollywood? And I think in some interview he said it's better to reign in hell. Be a king in hell than be a servant in heaven or some sort of that. So I think he's also subtly taking a dig at that where he's like, I'm the king of this industry, so I'm here to stay.
उसको उसके
Maybe,
लेवल के
maybe
रोल्स
not.
नहीं मिल रहे थे वहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ होगा
But I think like every few years I remember, and especially till sort of pre-pandemic and now तो भी शाहरुख narrative अलग चल रहा है. But I think every couple of years there used to be a big thing about is Shahrukh making crossover?
Yeah,
Actually he's not.
yeah,
So yeah,
yeah.
maybe it could have happened. Yeah.
Your Reddit thread.
तो एक तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो गोविंदा आहूजा रेफरेंस
Yeah,
कि
the
जूनियर आर्टिस्ट
duplicate Govinda and real Govinda both show up in the
Yes,
film.
yes. Oh yeah, real Govinda. I keep forgetting
Actually,
he
he shows
also
up
is
in
there
Diwangi,
in
Diwangi.
Diwangi. Yeah. So duplicate Govinda आता है and वो उसको बोलते हैं कि तेरा नाम क्या है बे? गोविंदा.
विरार से आता है, विरार से.
Yeah, विरार. Yeah. तेरा नाम क्या है बे? And something he says Govinda something. He's
Govinda
like
Ahuja.
Govinda Ahuja only says Govinda Ahuja. Yeah, Ahuja क्या है? थोड़ा कपूर खान ऐसा कुछ खान he doesn't say. कपूर मल्होत्रा ऐसा कुछ रख. And then he's like सिर्फ गोविंदा चलेगा? हाँ चलेगा.
You know, he says, हाँ try कर ले.
Try कर ले. Yeah, that was very funny. So, Om Shanti Om का Japanese version भी बना था, Omu Shanti Omu. And
I
yeah.
want to.
Yeah. Imagine वो मैं अगर कहूँ के टाइम पे हाथ ऐसे नहीं ऐसे फैलाता है. I know that's Korean, but Omu it's just.
But
I
we are
think they're
racist,
bordering on
guys.
racist,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah,
I
yeah,
can't
that's
participate.
anyway.
Edit this out.
It's
Yeah.
okay. The guy in the movie is like Nari Pussy and Yenna Raskala. So we are still less
Naughty
racist
pussy,
than
he says. Yeah,
Nari
it's-
pussy.
it's
Nari.
naughty, like
Nadi
naughty,
pussy,
like naughty
Nadi
America.
pussy, Yeah.
I don't know what you're talking about. Hey, can I just say one thing because of the Japanese
say,
thing?
हाँ.
Dude, you remember the whole controversy where Manoj Kumar took offense to the film and
Yes.
sued them because I think he requested those scenes to be taken off, and when it released in Japan in the uncut version, he sued them for like some 100 crores or something. I don't know what happened with the case.
Even
but
in
it
the
was-
Indian version, first
Yeah.
he sued them and they had to pay lots of money and
Oh,
issue
really?
an apology. And the funniest thing is when you watch the film, in that bit where, you know, that premiere,
Manoj Kumar,
वो
yeah.
मुँह छुपा के आ गए अंदर, and then the Shahrukh is getting involved कि वो धूमताना में है, तो उसको श्रेयस बोलता है कि that, you know, कि will you please relax, हम लोग यहाँ पे नहीं, हम गेट क्रैश कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, and मनोज कपूर आके मारेगा, and then he
Manoj
says
Kumar.
कि मनोज कुमार, and he said कि नहीं नहीं, मनोज कुमार बहुत अच्छे
अच्छा
इंसान है, वो ऐसा कभी नहीं
And
करेंगे.
it cuts to him.
Cut to reality. So yeah, Manoj got very very offended.
नहीं,
Yeah.
but उन्होंने फिर कन्विंस वगैरह पैसे दिए, मुझे ये नहीं
No,
पता.
I think the
thought-
money was also like given
हाँ,
for
क्या?
defamation or something, and they had to apologize.
Yeah,
publicly,
apology I
as
remember.
Because
Yeah,
I think Manoj Kumar also he was smart because he knew कि ये role, ये part very important to the film. गोविंदा ओझा वाला कट गया तो भी फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, but ये कट गया तो फिर दिखाएंगे कैसे अंदर कैसे
And
आए.
then Faraz also
So-
said in one interview after one of these kind of post-mortem genre of interviews where that bit, the premiere bit, उन्होंने actually बहुत सारी चीजें edit करी है that involved other legends and all, because at that time like they thought like how there were some junior artists, one is playing Mithun, one is playing
Yeah.
Rajesh Khanna, one is playing Dev Anand, so they are खुद से they are fighting over each other to enter in that, which we are losing it while watching.
Yeah.
But you couldn't keep it. Imagine legends fighting. Manoj Kumar they thought was the least harmful of all the things that happened.
Little did they know.
And well,
There was also an actor called Om Prakash in the 70s जिसके नाम के ऊपर इसका नाम based था. Om Prakash. Makhija नहीं था, he was just Om Prakash. But that also I found very
Also,
interesting.
Namaste London came in 2007, which has that famous line where Akshay Kumar lists out these amazing feats of India, that ऐसा देश है जहाँ कैथलिक औरत सिख प्रधानमंत्री के लिए छोड़ देती है, फिर वो मुस्लिम राष्ट्रपति से लेता है ना. And then in the end he says बाकी चीज़ों के लिए मैं आपको पूरब पश्चिम की मनोज कुमार के पूरब पश्चिम की DVD भेज दूंगा.
Yeah.
So there was that reverence for Manoj Kumar in the same year. So then he must have felt even more offended कि एक पिक्चर जब मेरी इतनी तारीफ करे तो तुम क्यों मेरा
Not
insult
Akshay
कर रहे हो?
Kumar beating with the Khans again.
Look, he's very funny in this film for the 2 minutes
Yeah.
that he is.
He is, he
But
is.
yeah, anything else from the thread?
बहुत सारा है, but मैं सोच रही हूँ इसमें से क्या बताऊँ, but continue.
No, whatever you want to talk about.
अच्छा, okay. So Farah Khan thought that Deepika Padukone gave a terrible screen test. So much so
Oh,
that
I thought
उसका
she was cast without a screen test.
no, she had to
She
audition,
was?
or at least that's the
या
PR.
सो
Okay.
मैंने ये यहाँ पे लिखा है, बट मैंने उनके एक इंटरव्यू में मैंने देखा था कि उन्होंने कहा था कि फराह खान जी ने कहा था कि दीपिका पादुकोण जब भी वो कॉस्ट्यूम में आई एंड शी वाज लाइक we are sold, we don't care how she talks, how she says, how she talks, how she behaves, but I am sold because she reminded them of Hema Malini.
Yeah.
And apparently Malaika Arora ने उसका नाम suggest किया
Yeah,
था
this I
because she
also
was
read.
working for some other fashion guru, somebody.
Yeah.
So yeah, so she was so blown away by her look in that outfit. She was like मैं इसको ले रही हूँ.
And so strange, Farah Khan for मैं हूँ ना
हाँ.
was looking for this Sanju character Amrita
हाँ,
Rao's,
हाँ.
और Amrita जब and earlier Aisha Takya was supposed to do it.
Yeah.
But
And then
सोचा ना
whatever she
था क्या
went or
shoot था,
anyway करके,
yeah.
so this Amrita Rao, so when she met her, Farah was very like, this is not gonna work. But then when she saw on camera and Farah says it that कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं, और ये मैंने सुना है लोगों के बारे में भी, who in person may be like whatever, but on camera they look somehow
Yeah.
presence is there.
Yeah.
So Amrita got cast because of that. Where in costume and all, Farah was like whatever, but on camera she killed it. And Deepika ka opposite. Batao. Fun.
As an actor, you think something clicks in you when you're in front of the camera?
I don't know if it clicks in me, but I definitely know that people look different on camera, and some people
Yeah.
who you may not think are attractive in
Yeah,
real life,
yeah.
but somehow on camera they are very enjoyable to watch, and somebody who may be very very like symmetrical looking and क्या वो,
Yeah.
पर कैमरा पे वो ट्रांसलेट नहीं हो पाता
Right.
काफी बार.
ये आई थिंक हमारा बेसिक लेवल पे फोटोजेनिक नॉन फोटोजेनिक का कॉन्वर्सेशन भी आई थिंक
Is basically that. Yeah.
Couple of like nerdy cinephile things that I want to point out. So for example, when Arjun Rampal, Mukesh Mehra, when he arrives on set, the first time we see him as a producer, there's this very subtle dig that Farah Khan takes, or whoever wrote the line took, where
I fully know what you're talking about. I'm so excited.
where
you brought this
Satish
up.
Shah is like कि सर मैंने एक सत्यजीत रे वाला एंगल लगाया है, एक बिमल रॉय वाला एंगल लगाया है, and then मुकेश is like एक मनमोहन देसाई वाला एंगल भी लगा दीजिए
क्योंकि वही चलेगा.
क्योंकि वही
क्योंकि वही चलेगा, which is like, so while watching the film also I realized that only Farah Khan could have made this film because you have to be rooted in cinema.
Yeah.
You have to know all these references. Like you can clearly tell कि ये सारी film जो है ना, इसका background है her conversations with other cinephiles.
Her friends, basically.
And also like in a good way. Like at no point do I feel alienated. Like even though back then I did not know about
Exactly,
the Manmohan cinema, Manmohan Desai cinema and all, I didn't mind that dialogue.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
Now I understand
Yeah,
it.
there's
Then
so
I
many
didn't.
like.
But she also said that she only took like about over a month her full thing was ready, but she took 2 weeks to write it because even the characters where she used to live during her low phase,
Yeah.
everybody around in her complex and all were film people. They were all technicians and filmmakers and aspiring and strugglers. तो ये सारे उनके आसपास यही बातें होती थी. So any characteristics like that or that hammy mom or somebody, this junior artist,
Yeah.
वो उनके साथ थी बहुत.
Can we talk about how lovely Kiran Kher's character is?
Amazing.
Oh,
In
she's
the-
amazing.
and I love how she's not playing the stereotypical mom who just exists to support her son's dreams. नहीं, इसका भी background है. In fact, उनका background दिखा है कि वो आए थे screen test के लिए.
And like हाँ,
जो से
मधुबाला
again-
ने मुगले आजम
हाँ,
को
she's like-
ठीक-ठाक संभाल लिया बंदी ने.
कि आसिफ ने बुलाया था मुझे स्क्रीन
आसिफ
टेस्ट
ने,
के लिए.
yes.
वो तो तुम्हारी कोक में था इसलिए मैं नहीं कर पाई.
Yeah.
But
So
my
I
favorite is that her belief of कि हाँ ठीक थी मधु.
Yeah.
But वो
Then
तो
again,
मैं
when
भी.
it's screen testing for the newer Deepika, again it's an like
It's a
she's
throwaway dialogue,
she's walking
yeah.
off screen like कि ये 25-30 साल पहले होती मैं ही कर
मैं ही
लेती.
yeah, which is like so. Of course, like if a character is so Bollywoody,
Yeah.
like Om, of course उसकी माँ भी वैसे ही
बिल्कुल,
होगी, which makes so.
genetic.
I love how कि उन्होंने किरण खेर को वो एक ऐसा ये दिया था twanky, like yeah,
और
she's
किरण
like
खेर
that.
के पति और ओम के पापा को भी that you know कि मेरे पापा भी एक junior artist रहेंगे and then you see 2 frames of उसके, one as lawyer, one as police.
Yeah.
It's too cute.
That was too good.
That one point where she has to play the crazed woman to stop
अंदर
Mike
मत
from
जाना.
and she's like overacting कर रही है. So yeah, such a subtle this thing. There's another like when when Om Makhija goes to the canteen and the canteen wala asks for money and he says कि तेरी चाय कौन सी fresh है, आलम आरा के ज़माने से लगी है. So again that's like a reference to the first talkie film that was there. Another thing I pointed was when Om tells Shreyas Talpade कि मेरी माँ कहती है मैं तो हीरो बनूंगा. So it's like वो तो केशव मुखर्जी की माँ बोलती है. And then a few scenes later they're playing drunk. So like that's a little this
good
thing.
one. I
Also,
didn't catch on
the
that,
guy,
but,
जब भी वो शाहरुख खान वो स्पीच दे रहा होता है बाटली स्पीच, तभी द गाय जिसके ऊपर वो रख के स्पीच दे रहा होता है, जब ये उठता है, that is Mushtaq Sheikh who has co-written the
Yes.
script
Yeah.
with Farah Khan,
Yeah.
which is just, and I was like, I saw that guy and I was like, ये जनीला की stories में दिखता है काफी.
इन्हीं का है यार
इन्हीं का है कुछ तो है.
But 2 random like cameos you may have missed.
Yeah.
One, Randeep Huda's wife is शाहरुख खान की
Lynn,
जो 3
oh.
तितलियां हैं जो
हाँ.
एक न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट एक जिम.
Right.
One of them is Randeep Huda's wife Lynn.
What?
And that film, the movie that Shahrukh Om Kapoor is in, the Darde Disco इसमें वो है, उसमें जब वो first time उसमें आते हैं किसी की शादी हो रही होती है दुल्हन की, दुल्हन is our very own Kanika Dhillon. She was the AD on this.
Oh wow.
Fun.
It's sharp.
Yeah. Also another small cameo that everybody might have missed, but ये तो ना ये इंसान ना running मैंने देखा हुआ है as a running person in every Shahrukh Khan film. Remember that साइकिल वाला सीन इन मैं हूं ना, जिसमें वो साइकिल लेके पीछा कर रहा होता है शाहरुख खान, तो
रिक्शे
जिसकी
का।
साइकिल लेता है और वो बोलता है ना बड़ी जल्दी में वो बंधु, ही इज देयर इन ओम शांति ओम ऑल्सो. ही इज द डायरेक्टर ऑफ दैट एन्ना रास्कला फिल्म.
Oh, the guy who looks like Ravish Kumar.
No, not him.
Oh, not
the
him.
other guy, another
the,
guy.
This thing,
Yeah,
the South
yeah.
Indian film.
South Indian film,
Ah,
yeah.
okay.
He's the same guy, and he was also there in Fir Bhi Dil Hai Hindustani. This
look
this
this
is
up.
my
Must
this
be
is my
Shahrukh's
trivia. My trivia. Nobody. I've not. मैंने कहीं पे पढ़ा नहीं, मैंने notice किया था.
Lovely.
But
The director for the superhero film is Vishal Dadlani,
Is
who
Vishal
makes a
Dadlani,
little
my man,
cameo.
director
Who
of Sheila Ki
also-
Jawani, director of
yes,
Mr.
director of
Mohammed.
Sheila Ki Jawani.
He
Yes.
directed the song Sheila Ki Jawani.
In the movie,
Oh,
yeah,
अच्छा.
he's the
Yeah.
director.
अरे
Okay,
वही
I
तो
haven't seen any Farah Khan film post Om Shanti.
Dude, अरे वो
When
शीला
you
की
do a
जवानी.
Tismar Kha episode also, please call
Dude,
me.
शीला की जवानी में वो लिटरली वो he's playing the turkey director,
Yeah.
जिसको देख के
Oh.
अक्षय कुमार बोलता है भाई साले आंखों से बलात्कार करता है. That's yeah.
And he does.
Yeah.
What else to say, guys? Om Shanti Om, one of the most talked about, one of the most
Arjun
celebrated
Rampal की
film.
कर लेते हैं
Arjun
बात यार,
Rampal.
2
I think,
minutes.
so
Yeah,
I mean,
sorry.
as many digs as we take at him, I remember in our Ravan episode we were like, he makes a very compelling villain. Here also, I
Yeah.
think, I think if you just put like sinister background music to Arjun Rampal walking, it just makes for a great visual.
Yeah. And also I think he matches Shahrukh Khan's energy. मतलब वो compliment इतना अच्छे से करते हैं एक दूसरे को because ये subtle है, nuanced है, and this guy is like all out.
What's your
I have
take on it?
trivia about Arjun
Yes.
Rampal's casting.
Okay.
So इसमें भी तो ये लोग तो विवेक के उसमें थे. Then one of these, you know, like I'm sure not Zayed Khan, but that Vivek Zayed Khans of the world
Yeah,
were
yeah,
kind
Who
of.
were the newcomers at
Yeah,
that
at that time. Then पर इनको नहीं मिला है कोई. फिर finally मतलब उनकी शूट शुरू होने वाली है 6-7 जनवरी को. 31st दिसंबर तक भी उनको नहीं है विलन
Oh,
उनका.
okay.
Then at Shah Rukh's New Year's party that I was not in.
क्योंकि you were busy.
I was busy.
Yeah,
I had
yeah,
other
yeah,
plans.
yeah.
Yeah, you had a date, yeah, as you said.
So then Shah Rukh and Farah have taken Rampal to the bathroom to kind of convince him and be like, you know, this movie you're doing and whatever, you'll be great and amazing and crazy role and all. So उसने कहा देख अब कल तो सब hangover होंगे, second को चलो ठीक है बात करना, we'll figure.
ढाई दिन में convince किया भाई को.
So first को they have slept, then second Farah has I think gone or whatever, they spoke on the phone. Now he has found out about the role and he's like, bro, I can't do this because कोई redeeming quality नहीं है इस आदमी में.
Yeah.
And उस time you also have to understand 2007 like who is playing hero and who's playing villain are
Correct.
huge
Yeah,
conversations,
yeah.
right? So he's fully just like, this is not my Jan. Farah disappointed. Then my man Shah Rukh called him and really like convinced him and all. Or
He
फिर
made him an offer he couldn't refuse.
made him an offer he couldn't refuse. And also that mooch inclusion
That was Shah Rukh's
is Shah Rukh
idea.
Khan's.
What?
Yeah.
Which inclusion?
कि उसकी
Arjun Rampal
Arjun
की
की
लोग
लोग basically.
Yeah.
And they were very clear that actually when Farah gave this reason, I was just like, फिर क्यों विवेक के बारे में सोच रहे थे? But okay, but they wanted.
Vivek would have played I think
He would have done a good job.
He
and
would have
We
done a
get
good
it,
job
yeah, you
too.
clearly are
You
smitten
clearly
by
love
Vivek
him.
Oberoi.
Yeah.
But she said that they wanted somebody, one, to obviously match kind of Shah Rukh's whatever energy, you know, to be like an antagonist, but also somebody who should be, you know, little good looking, little suave, little
Yeah,
ki thoda
yeah.
ki haan takkar ka wo. So this
Yeah.
Arjun Rampal then worked out amazingly for his hot bod basically.
Yeah, and also Deepika Padukone had a crush on Arjun Rampal at the time, and ये उनको बोलने की जरूरत नहीं थी क्योंकि हर इंटरव्यू में she is just looking at him ऐसे. I was like, I get it.
Also, I think this film does a good job of like exposing just how power hungry the 70s film producers used to be,
Yeah.
and the many unsaid stories of actresses who probably were secretly married but never got the.
And also the surprising deaths of many actresses.
Yeah.
अगर
Yeah,
18 साल की अगर लड़की
उसपे
कोई
कब documentary बनेगी यार?
randomly terrace से गिर के तो कोई
एक
नहीं
दिन.
मरता. I'm just saying.
I fully
Anyway.
agree. I
Wow.
fully
Okay.
agree.
Okay. Urjita,
I
we might
fully
have to
agree.
cut that part out. But
Also in terms of how that climax the first time I watched it, मैं बहुत shocked थी कि वो अलग शांति है.
Yeah.
Same way when they do the audition and they cast Deepika Padukone and this audition thing we are seeing, right? कि अब वो picture के लिए अब वो दीपिका को लेने वाले थे. I was not ready or whatever that Yuvika Chaudhary reveal.
Yeah.
I was just like, oh, कुछ और होने वाला है. I was very.
चढ़ती जवानी
हाँ.
में हाय हाय.
I like Bindu in this film also. Like
Of
she
course,
gets
yeah.
a entrance. And
Oh yeah. And also Bindu
मैंने
का
होठों से लगाई.
yes, वो song भी also plays. That also was very nice.
Very
Yeah.
nice.
Also, Yuvika Chaudhary, I mean, after that, years after that, she got into Big Boss and married Prince. So,
Who's Prince?
Prince, I mean,
I know both of them, so we can move on from
Okay.
this.
Tell me off.
Yuvika
screen.
Chaudhary was also very cute in the film. I think I liked her.
Yeah. Good for what she was given. I think she did a good
And
job.
also, like, the very fact that Arjun Rampal also acted like a predator over there, and Shah Rukh Khan sensed that.
और वो
So-
मिलते ही, you know,
Yeah,
when you
yeah,
watch
yeah.
it वैसे छू के ही अजीब
Yeah,
and
yeah,
शाहरुख का
yeah.
close up, they've
Yeah.
killed it.
He knew his weak spots.
Yeah.
Okay, we're running out of time, so let's get to the categories.
Yes.
So Priyam from Om Shanti Om 2007, what do you think has aged the best and what do you think has not aged so well?
Everything has aged greatly. What has aged the best? Shah Rukh Khan.
Okay.
Deepika Padukone.
Actually, yeah, I would say.
Actually, yeah, all actors I feel
Actually,
like
also
have aged.
Arjun Rampal because he was recently featured on that
Dilf.
Dilf. Yeah.
What is this?
It
What is
feels
this?
like Priyam और मैं
Where
same
is this
content
list?
consume कर रहे हैं. हमारा algorithm इतना same है.
Dilf, I'm assuming his daddy's I like to fuck, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Where-
Dilf,
where
which is, I
was
think
this
it's not an
list?
Indian
It's
Indian
some
Twitter account.
international famous
Okay.
Twitter
Who else
account
was
has
on that
seen
list?
So
it.
Arjun, they posted Arjun Rampal first, and then Indians ने इतना attention दिया that they started posting
Literally.
Siddharth Malhotra, and we are like इतना भी बुड्ढा नहीं है भाई, hello, you're
literally
losing.
happened like that. This really
Yeah.
popular thing posted Arjun Rampal, Indians with their abadi have given it the engagement. And now they're like, oh, should we pick some Indian hotties? Now Farah and this and all, everybody's
Yeah.
getting
अभी
featured.
शरीफ हाशमी को भी डालेंगे.
I don't know.
Shari Bashmi is
Family Man.
Oh,
I mean,
Sharif
yeah.
Hashmi. I
Yeah.
heard
Sharif
Sherry
Hashmi.
something.
No.
All the actors have aged very well, including Kiran Kher, I have
Yeah,
to say.
yeah, Not
I
her
think
views though.
I mean, that's
I
a
have not
topic
kept
for a
up with
separate,
her views,
separate
but I will
topic,
take your
separate
word for it.
episode. And
the
anything you
songs.
think hasn't aged well.
The music, I think, has aged
Yeah.
the best. I
Yeah.
think it is really timeless and works every time. What has not aged well? I will come back to it.
Okay,
You
do
say.
you have something?
No, what
Like,
has
what
not
has
aged well?
aged
Your opinions about the film. But
Touche.
You're still evolving.
yeah. No.
But what's aged the best?
What's aged the best? I think. मैं स्टोरी नहीं बोलना चाहूंगी क्योंकि वो क्लीशे हो जाएगा, बट
story-
आई वुड से
Original
दास्तान
नहीं
और
है.
story भी
ओरिजिनल
cliche
नहीं
है,
एग्जैक्टली,
हाँ.
बट दास्तान ओम शांति ओम द होल सॉन्ग, आई थिंक it's very difficult to come up with something like that. The choreography, the lyrics, the whole writing, it's very difficult. So I feel Dastan Om Shanti Om, it has aged the best.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Yeah.
For me, what says the best? I think the film in general has aged well because, like I said, that there are these small references to cinephilia that someone might look up what Alamara is or who K. Asif was. I like the fact that the quintessential Bollywood film is made by a woman in a very male dominated field. What hasn't aged well, I think, again, is the Yenna Raskala Nari Pussy sequence
yeah.
because I think that's very cliche and
I was
very,
like, almost forgot about that part. Yeah.
that's just Shah Rukh being Shah Rukh again, like the curd noodles from Ravan. I don't know why he does that. And okay, this is just my opinion, but I think Deepika doesn't have much to do in the second half. I think her midriff is doing more.
In the second half, yeah, okay. No, you can finish your midriff sentence again. 3, 2, 1. Take,
Her
sorry.
midriff is doing more acting than her.
If my midriff could talk like that, you would not see clothes on me ever.
So considering the actress that Deepika has become now, I think it's a very she just mostly has to look pretty in the film is what I feel. But that's my opinion. Have you thought of something
I
that
know
hasn't
we are
aged well?
running out of time, but we have to mention something super important.
Yes.
Yeah.
Farah Khan's closing credits, guys.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Right? So every time anybody's talking about serious climax, it ends serious, and I'm like, what do you mean? You go to a Farah Khan film, you come out like that last bit where her whole cast and crew is
Yeah. And also,
comes and
But she did that in Mehuna
honestly,
also.
in all her films.
Yeah.
I
It's
honestly
too
had
good.
forgotten about her background कि सब art technicians के around वो पली बड़ी है, which is why
Yeah.
she makes it a
Yeah,
point to
yeah.
show everybody's face.
Yeah,
Which
yeah.
is so good, and you can tell on the faces कि आज like this is I worked on the whole film, but this is the important part where my
Literally.
family will get to see.
And then she says that also in her stuff all the time, where like now like sport boys get their families and all
Yeah.
that. In the end they'll come.
Yeah.
And during Main Hoon Na, they were going to do the main cast and maybe that main HODs or
Right,
something.
Yeah.
right.
तो उसी में सब हो गए कि नहीं मैम हमें अभी आना है तो when you see the मैं हूं ना closing credits, so many things are happening in chart paper and all because it happened last minute. But since मैं हूं ना, their closing credits song actually Farah blocks 4-5 days for it because it's a full-on song that gets shot and
Yeah.
everybody from your spot to the biggest HOD gets their hair and makeup and has a shoot day, and I
Fuck,
think it's
man.
adorable.
Like she gives so much to like everybody on the
truly,
set. Like
truly.
you can imagine कि at the screening, spot boy के family, technicians सबके, they're like, you know what, this is so good, and I love it.
I love it.
Yeah,
Too
another
emotional, yeah.
dark horse of the film I'd like to mention, Sandeep Chauta does the background score.
Oh.
And there's the film music is all throughout
Yeah.
the film. So I
And
think he does a
underrated,
great-
thank you for mentioning him.
Yes.
Chota does
Yes.
the background.
I remembered because I remember in the end credits he's the one who's most embarrassed to walk on that. So I was like, yes, Sandeep Chauta.
तब हम musicians का face नहीं देखते थे.
Yeah.
That's true. Unless they were Vishal Dadlani.
और सलीम सुलेमान.
और सलीम सुलेमान.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, actually.
Yeah, मतलब तुम इंडियन आइडल में जज कर सकते हो तो ही तुम्हारी शक्ल दिखेगी.
If you had to program a double feature with Om Shanti Om, which one?
An obvious one, I guess, is मैं हूं ना. A cinephile one, I feel like Cars OG.
True.
But if you're looking to have a good time,
Yeah.
just watch Om Shanti Om and then watch Himesh ki Karz. Just do it. You will not regret it. Urmila Matondkar is amazing in it. Tak 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 Tandoori Nights, amazing. और हिमेश की डायलॉग्स ही हैं कुछ 90% उस पिक्चर का, तो तुम्हारा बहुत बढ़िया टाइम पास होगा. एंड या व्हाई नाउ यू ऑलरेडी वॉच द स्टोरी, सो यू नो द स्टोरी आल्सो.
Yeah.
Kar double feature, I will recommend.
Yeah.
Cool. Urjita, double feature?
So I can't think of any film other than Madhumati. I haven't watched it
Oh.
yet.
Yeah, I also
But
not watched
because
it.
I want to, मैंने plot पढ़ा था and I was like, this sounds very nice. So I think because I haven't watched it, मैं suggest करूँगी देख लो तुम
Madhumati
भी,
is like-
मैं भी देख लेती हूँ.
Very gothic, dude. Like, it's proper scary.
Oh.
So,
Oh,
yeah,
wow. Okay.
And has a great Dilip Kumar performance. That's interesting, Madhumati.
आपको
I
क्या होगा?
also thought of Main Hoon Na, but I think that's too obvious.
हाँ.
So, पुनर्जन्म की हम बात कर रहे हैं क्योंकि might as well throw in Karan Arjun, man. Yeah, it's पुनर्जन्म, Shahruk's 2 पुनर्जन्म.
Nice,
Yes.
nice. Say one
Iconic
more fun
Punarjan.
reincarnation film, non-Shahrukh.
Okay, if you had to pick one, मैं हूं ना और Om Shanti Om, which one
I'm
would
an
you
Om
pick?
Shanti Om girl through and through.
Okay, I'm not sure.
Fair.
नहीं मैं I can't
Om,
choose.
just choose one.
I have moments मतलब दोनों फिल्म से related मेरे
बहुत
हैं.
दोनों फिल्म में
But,
बहुत लगा, but if I had to pick, I feel like मैं हूं ना, the end bit for me gets a little
Drowsy.
कि
Yeah.
हाँ चल ठीक है, अब चढ़ उस पे उतर खींच उसको, चलो फ्री
Yeah.
करो मुझे भी, you
हाँ,
know?
yeah, actually,
I
yeah.
think with Om Shanti Om till the end I'm like yes, Shanti is झूमर के नीचे तेरी
Yeah.
लाश.
So Om Shanti Om for me also,
Yeah.
but like very like close
हाँ,
second is
close
मैं
second is
मैं
मैं
हूं ना.
हूं ना.
Yeah, like मैं हूं ना I think is again उसके लिए पवित्रा के साथ वाला episode देख लो
हाँ,
हमने वो
please,
discuss
we'll link
किया
it in the
है.
description.
Yeah.
Farah ma'am,
I would
Faru,
say-
baby,
Yeah.
please make some films.
And
Just stop
also
it.
मुझे राइटर रख लो, मैं बहुत अच्छा लिखती हूँ. मैं आपके लिए मैं इतना ट्रेनिंग
Okay,
करते आ
guys,
रही हूँ
this
इतने
is not
सालों
a,
से.
it's not a pitch fest here.
Yeah.
Uh,
मैं कॉमेडियन बन इसलिए रही हूँ ताकि आपकी स्क्रीन पे आ सकूँ एक बार.
Inshallah,
Yes,
why not?
yes.
Why not?
I would choose मैं हूं ना because I think it's a more innocent film than Om Shanti Om. It was a more underdog.
हाँ, showbiz के बारे में नहीं है, अंडरडॉग है, किसी की पहली पिक्चर है, ज्यादा खून पसीना निकला होगा.
It has very funny Maman Irani and the whole Thook thing.
You like मैं हूँ ना, no?
Yeah.
I hate you, Dad. I hate you.
Okay, maybe I should change my. I just remembered.
We had to suffer his acting also, so how can we forget
Yeah,
that
please,
part?
Zayed, for this time, I had friends of mine at the time who were crazy about Zayed, like you are like Vivek.
I was also crazy
yeah,
for
yeah,
him.
Zayed was
Zayed
a-
had a big wave, yeah.
But then just मतलब उसका acting इतना खास नहीं था. So
What are you saying? Really?
I hate you, Dad.
Okay, Priyam, on a scale of 1 to 10, if you had to rate Om Shanti Om on a Has It Aged Well scale, how much would you give?
I think it has aged very well. And now the thing is, anytime you talk about, I know it goes against the premise of your literal podcast, that has it aged well, कोई भी चीज उसी time के context में बनती है तो blah, 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 blah. However, so I am using it as a filter if it is still as engaging.
Right.
If when you watch it, you're not bored because it's predictable or it's whatever.
Right.
That kind of engagement, I think Om Shanti Om still provides.
that's the
start to
rewatchability
finish.
scale that we
Okay.
have.
But
this
yeah.
also
So
holds.
yeah, so I think because of that reason, has it aged well? Yeah, because I don't get bored. The song is amazing. Everyone's looking good, feeling good, and because it is about this movie is about movies. मेरा वैसे भी बहुत favorite genre है. तो जिन लोगों की बातें हो रही है, जिन लोगों को तुमने homage दिया है, तुम उन सब के बारे में भी जानते हो. So that's why I think it feels a lot more involving
Yeah,
a watch for
yeah.
me. So has it aged well? Duh.
So give it a score.
A score on 1 to 10?
Yes.
An 8.5.
Does
Okay.
Duh.
Urjita, for you,
same.
8.5.
Yeah, वो same. My answer also same. No difference.
Copy.
Madam.
आप बताएं.
I'll pull a
मैं-
Sarfaraz here. Yeah.
I would give it an 8. It's aged well. It's very engaging.
ये 6 देने वाला था हमारे
नहीं यार।
conversation
I have
के
not
बाद.
said 10 only because I don't want for any of this to sound like my undying love for Shah Rukh Khan is coming in the way.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
just objectively, I truly think Om Shanti Om is a complete film.
नहीं बाजीगर को तो मैं 5 दूँ, no problem. ऐसा इतना भी undying love नहीं है.
That's a
मेरा
different
तो है यार,
episode.
मेरा तो
Yeah.
है.
But 8, I think, like,
Yeah.
it's a. So, this is the question we battle with every time. Like you said, if a film encapsulates that period in time, does that mean has it aged well? But I think, like I said, the Filmfare Award sequence, the meta-ness of the film, it's very, very enjoyable and funny. And I think only someone like Farah Khan, who is from the industry, loves movies so much, would have been able to do that. I still maintain the first half is way more stronger than the second half, but that's just my opinion. But yeah, 8.5, 8.5, 8. It's a
मैंने
pretty...
10 दिया.
Oh, you gave 10?
हाँ,
Yeah.
10 पे आ गए थे ना हम.
10. Acha.
Does.
Does.
Sorry, 8.5, 10 and 8. That's still a pretty high scoring film. मजेदार पिक्चर है, देख लो फिर से.
और सबसे ज्यादा एज वेल इसलिए हुआ बिकॉज बहुत सारे जोक्स दैट वाज आई फील लाइक द लास्ट एरा दैट वी हैड वेयर यू कुड स्टिल मेक जोक्स अबाउट पीपल. नाउ यू
True.
कांट.
Now everybody will be like Manoj
यू
Kumar.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कोई बनाएगा ही नहीं फर्स्ट लेवल पे.
किसी लल्लू पंजू भी ऑफेंस ले लेगा.
हाँ, और
उन पे
कौन
joke
क्या
किया
ऑफेंस
तो.
ले ले, क्या तुम्हारा आउट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्स्ट चला जाए और वो सब. सो नाउ नोबडी विल डेयर
And
विद एनी ऑफ
only
दिस.
Farah Khan can do this event today, where I remember उसका इतना most memed screenshot of Farah Khan को Chunky Pandey is making fun of Farah and she replies तेरी बेटी को संभाल पहले.
Yeah, I think Farah's social media is the Om Shanti Om
Yeah.
humor now.
Yeah.
Cool. We'll quickly do the alternate ending segment. Let's do it right now. Alright, this is the alternate ending segment where we suggest an ending other than the way the film ended, or we pitch a sequel or a prequel or a spin-off, whatever we want. So in Om Shanti Om, what happens is Om Kapoor and what's the new Deepika's name?
Sandy.
Sandy. They both survive, and Mike dies, and Shanti Priya's ghost is somewhere in the ether helping them make movies. And then Om Kapoor also realizes that he has to give more to the industry than what he actually is. But Priyam, tomorrow if Farah Khan comes to you, considering your star is on the rise, and he's like, "Hey, प्रियम मैं सोच रही हूँ कि ऐसा एक सीक्वल बनाओ ओम शांति." यस,
Can I go first? Can I go first?
हाँ सॉरी उर्जिता, मैंने सोचा है कि मैं एक दूसरी एंडिंग बनाऊँ ओम शांति ओम के लिए, तो मैं तेरे को दे रही हूँ, तू क्या लिखेगी एंडिंग?
आप जो बोलोगी मैं नाम मैं अपने दिल पे आपका नाम लिख लूँ.
That sounds very wrong. Okay.
सॉरी वो तो लिख लिया है.
But yeah, Urjita, what's your alternate ending?
So Shanti goes into heaven वगैरह वो जो भी होता है, and then so then Sandy को वैस शाहरुख खान explain करता है कि ऐसा ऐसा हुआ था, and then so the thing is it was never clarified whether other than Arjun Rampal and Shahrukh और कौन वो शांति देख सकता था, because I remember Sandy and Shreyas Talpade were very clueless about what happened.
Good
So-
one, Urjita. I'm so proud of you.
Yeah, so I was like, could they also see her or not? So that was the question, and I think she wanted to leave that thoda open ended, which is fine. So then afterwards everybody forgets about it. Maybe Shah Rukh Khan tells her that this all of this happened, and then they are like, no, it's fine, you killed him, it's okay, we believe you, we can cover it up for you, that's okay, anyway he was a bad guy. So like जैसे मुकेश ने कवर अप किया था वैसे इसका भी कवर अप हो गया, ठीक है. सो देन इसको मन ही मन शाहरुख खान को ना दैट कीप्स बॉदरिंग हिम कि व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टू ऑफ अस. उसने एक डेथ कवर अप की, मैंने भी कवर अप की. द ओनली डिफरेंस इज आई डिडंट डू इट फॉर अ पर्सनल बेनिफिट और समथिंग. And then while he's thinking about all of this, in a moment of vulnerability, he shares all of this with his now girlfriend Sandy, who then is like, pacifies him. And now Sandy has, because अभी 2-3 साल हो गए इस बात को, तो थोड़ी mature हो गई. Now she's also an actress. She's like, what, it's fine, don't worry. चलो ना डेट के लिए जाते हैं. And then वो डेट के लिए लेके जाती है. And then वो बात करते करते she just casually like वाइन के ग्लास में चाय डालती है और बोलते है कि याद है. And then he's like, क्या याद है? He's like, nothing. And then she looks into the camera.
Okay. You end there. आपने क्रिस्टोफर नोलन वाला, आपने एम नाइट श्यामलान वाला एंडिंग दे दिया है कि हाँ.
What does Farah Khan have to say to that? She's stumped.
देखिए एंडिंग हम लोग कोई और टाइम करेंगे ये. अभी मेरे पास 3 और आइडियाज है.
It's too much.
So essentially in your ending, the original Shanti Priya
Yes.
takes control of
Takes
the
over.
new one.
If I was
Okay.
Shanti, I would have done that. Yeah.
Fine, possessive much?
Oh my God.
Priyam, you wanna up?
Alternate ending,
You
yeah.
wanna up
Yeah.
that or?
Up though I can't. I'm trying to think of a down the chill way to do this. An alternate ending, I don't know, I think the
Or
ending
you
is
can
perfect. But like
spin
this,
off
I
whatever.
would be interested in watching a Kiran Kher spin-off. I feel like it'll be too fun. And-
उनका past.
और उनका पास्ट और वो
Yeah.
कैसे उनकी एक्टिंग जर्नी कहाँ से शुरू हुई और कहाँ वो मधुबाला लोगों को अपना दे रही है लेफ्ट ओवर. आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन ऑल दैट.
Yeah.
So yeah, that spin-off I'd be into.
Okay. So my one idea was, which is kind of similar to what you said. My thing was that if Shanti Priya's ghost is out there and Om Kapoor helped get revenge, my thing was exactly that. Then why wouldn't Shanti Priya now haunt Om Kapoor? Because like you were supposed to be my guy. How come you found this new chick now and you're going behind her?
No, but Shanti is, dude, even in that last sequence, what I really loved about that expression wasn't like, I love you, oh my god, you loved me too. It was more like, thank you so
thank
much.
you for that.
Yeah.
Thank you for helping me out.
And she also like as soon as that Sandy comes, she's fully like peace out, I'm leaving.
Yeah, so for her,
झूमर 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 करके
Yeah.
चली गई वो.
Fine, guys, I won't write my sequel.
No.
My other was the Shreyas Talpade spin-off. Like, what happened in the years between the new Om Kapoor coming up and Shreyas Talpade? Like, how did he deal with the...
I think उसने राशन की दुकान खोल ली होगी.
Just because he looks like that, Urjita, that's me. मैं बस basically मुझे लगता है कि मैं शायद उसमें
हमारा
होती
फैमिली
interested.
बिजनेस है राशन की दुकान, so I'm not.
Or my third spin-off idea was... how did Mukesh go to Hollywood and establish himself as a filmmaker there, as a film producer? Yeah, audio listeners, you missed out on what how Mukesh went there. Priyam did a I mean, she acted out something which will be fun if you watch it on video. So come watch it
Plug.
there.
Audio.
But yeah, I think what we can sort of surmise from this is that Om Shanti Om is, like you said, has a perfect ending, and no matter how much we try, we will not be able to one up Farah Khan unless she goes for Ujita's ending.
Which she will not. Let's presume that.
But you never know. You
never
might be
know.
able to write
Stranger
something
things
else
will
for us. Thank you so much, Priyam, for making time and coming for our show, for this podcast. Before we wrap up, I know at least you have something big coming up on Amazon Prime very soon. You want to tell us about it, or anything you want us to check out, please do.
Oh God! Thank you for having me. This has been
Our
so
pleasure.
fun.
Yes.
And I knew किसी चीज को सच्चे दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात तुम्हें उसके मिलाने की साजिश में लग जाती है.
पूरी कायनात.
Nice. Hi
But
कायनात.
you know
Looking
what?
very nice today.
Sorry, but alternate ending आने से पहले मुझे बोलना चाहिए था podcast अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. I
nice.
missed out on that. Sorry.
वो
अभी कर
ऐड कर देना, ऐड कर
हाँ,
देना.
कर दियो अभी
yeah.
ऐड. But what is coming up? Yes, I have a show coming up on Amazon Prime. It's called Wag Girls. It'll get announced soon. So look forward to it. I don't know when it's coming out. Sometime this year, I think. And other than that, if you're interested in dancing of any kind and general movement, there's something I do called Goddess Hour, which is a really like sexy dance workshops. You should come for that also. And generally Google me because these guys did not give me a great introduction. But this has been a very fun episode, and I'm glad I could make it.
I
And
forgot
thank
to
you.
mention Priyam also does stand up, so that's also out
I mean,
there.
whatever pays. If you got money, call me.
Nice. And please check out all the other stuff that Priyam has been in. Dr. G is one of them.
Dr. G on Netflix, Bobby
Yes.
Bansa on Hotstar, and really just Google me. This is getting quite endless and embarrassing.
Urjita, where can people find you? Sorry, I fumbled while saying this. Urjita, where can people find you?
तो अगर आपने अब तक देखी नहीं है दोस्तों, पर मेरी सेकंड स्टैंड अप वीडियो मनी प्रॉब्लम्स इज आउट ऑन यूट्यूब. प्लीज चेक इट आउट.
Million
और
views, no?
हाँ,
Million views?
नहीं वो रील को हुए
Okay.
अब तक
It's
वीडियो को
still
नहीं
big.
हुए. बट या
आने वाले
दो रील्स को मेरे मिलियन व्यूज हो चुके, एक को 2.1 मिलियन हो गए हैं. तो प्लीज चेक इट आउट एंड कम फॉर माई लाइव शोज गाइज. आई एम कमिंग टू हैदराबाद, बैंगलोर, पुणे एंड दिल्ली आई थिंक इन जून. बट या
Nice.
कम एंड मुंबई में ऑल्सो आ जाओ प्लीज. लव यू.
Yeah, I mean, you can follow her on social media and you'll see.
At the rate Urjita Vani.
Yes.
Everywhere at the rate Urjita Vani.
At the rate
Yeah.
Urjita Vani.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're doing 1 hour shows.
Yes, 1 hour solo
Nice.
shows मैं कर रही हूँ. अपना पूरा अभी ongoing जवानी के किस्से सुना रही हूँ मैं.
Congratulations.
Yes.
When is it happening? I'll come.
I'll tell you. Yeah. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. What an idiot. I'm sorry. It's in Mumbai. It is happening in Spade Comedy Club on the 19th April. तब तक I think
ये
हुआ
एपिसोड
होगा.
शायद तब तक चला
Okay.
चला
Yeah, but
गया
मुंबई में फिर शायद तभी I think थाने में I'm doing a show in Backspace at Backspace. तो वहाँ पे आ जाओ.
होगा. Will you travel
Yeah.
to Thane, Priyam, to watch?
My
Urjita?
best friend stays there, so I actually go to Thane more than I
cool.
would like to. But
Nice. Yeah.
we'll see if it aligns that day. But I'll come for the Bandra one.
Yes.
Nice.
Yes.
And you can follow me on Twitter at Abbas Momin and on Instagram AbbasMomin88. One last time, if you're watching us on YouTube,
Oh yeah,
subscribe.
follow me also somewhere.
Yeah, go ahead, plug
Oh,
your-
प्रियम का एड्रेस है.
my address is follow me on Instagram at Priyam Saha. And don't follow me anywhere else, actually. I do stupid things on all other platforms, yeah.
Yeah, and my Instagram was AbbasMomin88. If you're watching us on YouTube, subscribe to the IVM Pop channel. And you can also find the Has It Aged Well feed on Amazon Music. So you can get early access to episodes there. And thank you so much for sticking around till the very end. Thank
I
you,
am fully
Priyam.
going to cut you off again to add a last thing about
Yeah.
fangirling on Has It Aged Well. That because this is how I introduce my friends to your podcast, and I do think it is helpful, even though it sounds funny. If any of you are going for walks, first of all of us have to go for walks.
Yes,
Okay, this is an
agreed.
important thing we have to do for ourselves. And if you do, I feel like when earlier I used to listen to music and walking, I would be fucking strutting. और मैं बहुत थक जाती थी बहुत देर से बहुत जल्दी. And then I
We
discovered
don't make you
listening
strut.
did not make me strut. I discovered podcast as a companion to walk with me. And then जब से Has It Aged 12 मेरी life में आया है, ना मेरी walks miss हो रही है, ना मेरे episodes. I find it truly enjoyable, and I have, I mean, we have today just met, so I hope you love me now. But I'm a huge fan of Urjita for very long, and I've been only vocal about my appreciation of her and this podcast. So truly, thank you for having me. I've had a blast.
Love you so much, Priyam. Love
I'm
you.
also
Loved you
nice,
and
guys.
Dr. G. Love you everywhere. मैंने फिल्म देखी है, ठीक है, मैंने देखी है Step Copy. I've seen it.
Good one.
Next
good
week,
one.
we'll see you with a new movie and a new guest, and hopefully Priyam can join us sometime in the future. Thank you so much. I will see you next week. Bye-bye.
IVM